penalty of betrayal. These friends only come around you because they want your life, your man, your ambition. I tell you they will sit and eat with you. Then behind you back, they know what they want from you. Just you, man. You freedom, your life, they want it all. Penalty of betrayal will hold them. Yes, 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 they will. They just steal your life. Be careful of who you call friends. They are not good for you. They are not good for you. You're not good.
Yeah, talk to me about. I hear it. Anything we have said, me actually in order to deal with it. So just alright.
And Daddy, I said I come to ask you.
Go on.
So like how me and 19, you said I go to work?
Yeah, what you mean? Yeah, if fire passed, fire reach 18, you should have gone and go look for it. Because my money them now have to enjoy myself. Me a big man now, you know. I want to have a look at one vodka more time, I want to smoke. I want cigar.
So you know better you spend the money for your daughter than buy vodka and kill yourself slowly.
You can't go look for it now because you pass the age of consent. You pass 18 or you're 19 now. You can go and go look and work, yes. I know nothing. You don't have to do no hard work. Just do one supermarket work or one of them work there.
What mean him a 19 now, she can go look work? We are talking. Am I no one mind a picnic?
Me already a mine already. So if she take time and can buy the things for herself now. She not go want other things
She
for
not
herself.
go look no work.
So
I might no one mind a picnic. You see you? Me I watch you for other day, you know. Me I watch you from last week. Me I watch you. You move away, you know.
Listen to me. You know she not set an example. She reaching a stage where
She just catch 19. Don't rush her.
No, listen to me. She reaching a stage where she can do a little work and send back herself to college. With the help of my money too. Where you expect her to get so much money from? For buy food and for say she need to go to college, you know. Where you expect say?
What you
You
saying?
talk about me no want
But
mind.
last week, me see her move sideways like a crab. Me see her mind no one mind her, you know. You done mind her. That you try
I
to
want to
do.
do plan for me this morning now.
People go to college and still end up with nothing.
Yeah, but better you get the head. Better you get the big woman head more than sit down and not talk about if you figure work.
She got it.
If you have the head now, we can make a plan and know what to go. No, jump down for me there. Me wrong. Jump down for me.
Nobody now jump down for you. And your pitney don't tell her when she go look work. When she ready to go look at work, she will look at work. Don't rush her. She just catch 19. We are rush her for.
You young, you my girl. You're not going dead. You're not going beg up. Start to work from early. And by the time you reach certain age, you can stop.
Walk and repeat in her pitney. Walk. Where you want if you do. If you can't get no work, you want if you go selling catches. And that you want if you do.
Hello. Nobody reach this. Nobody try put that. Where you implementing a look pitney. Nobody, you shouldn't even say that. When you go on inside, go figure
Talk
it
about
out.
that pitney ball work. Every day work. She
Me
just
now-
catch 19
Hello.
year old.
Me not bother that pitney about work. She come and ask me. Go inside, go figure
Every
it out.
day you bother
Listen,
about.
no, listen to me now.
Every day.
Listen, go inside, go figure it out, yeah? Go inside,
You not
go figure
work.
it out.
You might mind until you catch 23, 25 year old. Go on in. You see you? Me can't take you. For last week, me say you move away, you know. Me can't manage you. Alright. Tell me if you want done this marriage. Let me know. Because me say you move away, you know, me can't manage that, you know.
You serious?
Alright.
You serious?
Either me serious or that you're not going no way sticking in my life forever.
Find something go cook in our house, yeah? grow up from them time with them now. Always something.
But then I find a solution.
And you see, I throw me at her, don't
Yeah.
you? Can go look and look over on the side, don't
Yes, I go see what I can do, get some engineer application and some right up and send them out.
But I follow your mother, you know. You know you come better than that, you know. Then, yo, just do what you have to do. Honestly, I'm busy on this.
I have to take a walk.
Yeah, man.
Yo, yeah, tell the people say. If you don't follow me,
I mean,
if you don't take my good footstep,
I feel I'm me alone in the left thing pan. I'm not throw down everything pan me.
me
Like
not
say
come
a
about
bad.
that.
And
Me hear us I tell the people about if you don't follow your mother. I'm here about.
all you can get a work to, you know. All you can get one look of work to, man.
And we are married me for.
Married a for my wife. A two hand clap, you know.
At least me not go on the road and have heap of man a one man me have. So me don't know where you tell the people about how no follow me. One man me have and I you. For me know you alone me have.
I not throw down everything pan me. I know the little girl want to look at her. Yeah, make it look like some now mind the picnic.
So you tell the little girl if you don't follow me for, don't follow me footstep.
I hear a picnic too. What making a mind now? I hear a picnic too. What making a mind now too?
You married me for a reason. Till death do us apart.
Fear sit down in our house. Fear sit down in our house all the time.
I am a wife, I'm a housewife, yes, I'm a mother.
Why can't I make build up one stall and sell cheese strip then?
Bill up you give me and buy the stuff them and me sell it. You want bill up you give me?
You see you go on like on love man and everything and you throw down everything per man. That means you wait here, you know respect man then, you know. Wait here throw down per man. But you know what?
If me did love man, would have you alone. If me did love man. But I give your bun right, left, center, everywhere but I give your bun. And in your bedroom. So don't start me off. Don't start me. Cause you don't like it.
I know say them bad vibes that me run from you. Some shouldn't even marry.
Wow.
Just do what you have to do. And
No,
let the little girl do all the
you
things.
make me all laugh. Wow. That's why you should have married me. You want divorce?
You can't give me a little ease up, bro. And something I do on the phone right
You
now.
want divorce? Number one, if you get the divorce paper, me not sign that. Number two, you can't take me out of this. And number three, you have to still mind me till death do us. You hear? Till death do us apart. Bye bye. Bright house feast.
I know T.I. betrayal. These friends only come around you because they want your life,
Yeah, watch out. Oh, yeah, go. Ano yung shot down yun sa mga ko? Wag.
There.
Oh, tiyo, make you look so.
That's the right truth. I'm not going to do that, of course.
Cause, suwa.
I'm going to look work and sitting. But truth be told, I don't want to work.
Girl, you tell us something. You're not off work. I mean, it's look nice. Girl, kuya, fat up on all these things. So, if you're not work, what you meant to say? So, yeah, between me and you, you take one girl. Girl, you don't know, say me a bad girl for a long time. I want you.
You're a bad girl.
Bad girl. But,
Alright. Look at
as me as a girl, some man, go back to me and take. It's a girl man. My
A girl
first
man.
name is not my first name. And you take care of me, girl, anything I want. Girl, I'm not have to worry myself, girl.
So I think you have to love somebody if you're in the ground.
Love, girl,
Yes.
girl, me love for you. Where love I go?
I don't know.
Where love I go? But love is like a bow, you just kicking us and answer. What do you mean by love? Girl,
Your
don't.
parents, I love you.
No, my parents different. That a different particular thing me talk about. A girl, man. You see me? A girl cannot get everything. Me I think it's right.
When she find out?
When she find out me and you beat her. What you mean by?
I'm not saying nonsense.
Girl, what you mean by nonsense?
Why you gonna be there?
Me and you.
I mean, you're taking.
No, girl, that different. Oh, so me don't fight you, but you don't want to fight me.
No, me not fight people take the man.
Girl,
You take a man by yourself, you defend yourself for you and the man.
girl, listen. I'm telling you something. I said that you know, for work or nothing, girl.
Put me on a ring.
Yeah, girl. You have one friend.
My friend.
Yeah, girl. You know, for work, just tell, you don't for the morning time and just tell them, say, tell the parents, them, say, I got work. I meet up, I meet up with my boy, yeah, girl. You man, no, did you daytime.
So working hours, would I say one
You
8
left out,
hour?
yeah,
No, some work
you not have to go home
around
until
12 hour.
but you not have to go until in the evening. You can't do a boy yard. And but fucking know nothing, girl. What you mean by?
So me go left me yard. Me can lie down and go on with myself and cock up and watch show and just go money.
Which one do you rather? You rather fi there your yard, listen to your parents cause 24/7 say you fi go look cook, or you rather take a girl man? Which one you rather?
So people money I give me?
Girl, top along like you get no man.
People money I give me for them gonna beat me?
Then can't. For them fi beat a girl. They not beat a girl.
Well, me want to watch you first.
Yeah.
Me want to watch you because
watch
it's when
me.
wife know about you.
Me and you gonna be wifey.
You and you are gonna beat wifey. So you see, if me this is not gonna take a girl man and girl come to beat me alone will beat the girl. I make the girl beat me. Because me not gonna step up in a middle but me gonna beat no girl, you know, man. So before so I pack up
Me
and
said,
hit the road.
make it come out one girl. What up? Me a run this.
She not catch me because me only can run.
Okay.
Me not to the pan piss it all like me a Superman or a Batman.
Alright, friend. But when it day come, you have the chat same way.
Yes. Me can run, you know if me can run. Me fit on a pan piss and fight and lick down girl for man.
You long enough, so you
I
must
make girl
learn.
kill me. I look much man out there.
Me dear. And yes.
So you not for do nothing for get the money.
Girl, just stay with the man.
Come here, girl. You have to sleep when you get money?
So, you feel like you just go run money? And I get none of that they were done this up?
This is laptop. Stand up. But then call it sitting there. Then call it sit there again. Then call it when Corona the hot, man.
COVID.
This under this lockdown under quarantine.
Oh, quarantine. Oh.
So Jesus God help me see the soul of God of Daniel.
Alright. You choose to their own your parents and them cuss every day. My mother not cuss because me give my mother money sometimes she can buy groceries or
Does
anything.
she know where you get the money from?
No, she don't know that. She know. Me just tell her, say me get one work. Don't herself.
Where she believe?
Yeah. Come. Me and my mother favorite thing is anything me tell her she go believe. And from from mother see
I
money
wonder if I
coming.
can try that.
Yeah, girl, I can try me tell you.
But me tell you, know, if a girl come to beat me for them man, me a run.
Girl, if
Right.
all if the woman come and hide under the bed.
I don't know which bed.
The bed down
If you a little
there.
time, me see woman come a yard and catch a girl in a house and sit girl go hide under bed and bed a tear down with girl under bed.
Don't worry. About money that we not make the girl do nothing. He not make the girl do nothing, friend. He not make sure do nothing.
You know, make sure you do nothing.
No, girl, the girl not do nothing, girl. You're too afraid. Everything
Yeah,
you're
sure.
afraid of. Me sure, girl. They
You can put me
try.
head on the black for that.
Yeah, girl. I can try.
And if me see somebody come with drop one black, let me know so they're not gonna drop it.
Me know.
They're not gonna drop it. I feel like I'm gonna tell you.
Ah,
But you see, I
yes.
go, don't you?
Me a go down and so come.
Well, enough, I
So
know.
much free. You just have to be skilled like me.
Me not have no skill. You see, all the skill I have is to name and I still maga. Me not, my hobby is to take people man. I like my
This I
own.
want to know.
Oi, where they come from? How long? Don't shop where they come from.
Yes, I want.
So
why if me I come from a shop?
Me a wait for you how long up a yard come carry things come make you breakfast.
Listen to me. You're not 17, so 18.
And
How me coming from shop have to do it?
Because I'm waiting on you.
Listen to me. My man give me money. So you see, if you want go shop, go buy anything you want buy for breakfast, lunch break, or dinner, you go and find yourself a man.
then if I see the one there, so then if I saw you tan, so if you turn around you too and become like that
Me
day.
a business rich for you want tan. If you want tan, you say if you want tan, this I don't care what you want. My money what my man give me is to spend on me and only me.
do this left here. What kind of son is that?
If you want live, you can live. Me not take your friends. If you want stay, you can stay because I know for me place, you know. So if you want to stay, you stay. If you want to left, you left. It's up to you. Mommy and daddy leave the house for the both of us. So we have to share.
Take care of me.
Me not take care of you, you're a big girl. 17 soon, 18-year-old. If you want somebody to take care of, go find a man, make them take care of you. Me not take care of no big girl. You see me? So if anything you want to do, you do. If you want to leave, you leave. If you want to stay, you stay. If you want to take man, you take man. If you don't want to take man, that's up to you. You're dead hungry.
So you really got shop and buy no?
I'm not buying nothing. You meet. I mean, how money I'm not giving you, go take man. Just like how me take man. Girl,
You not take no
you not
man.
see how me
You
look
not
good.
take no man.
You not see how me look
Man
good.
too popular.
You not see how me look good, girl.
Man too
You
popular.
not see how me look good.
Man too popular though.
No man can pop me down as one gandam, next one fan. And that is it. So, anything you want to do, girl, that's up to you. If you want it, if you're hungry, you're dead for hungry. But me not if you no hungry. Okay, and my man, you my man, give me
So,
some. Me
I say I
alone.
don't speak dirty girl before. How you call dirty girl? Don't bright yourself. You see, if you ever had like you look around where they look for. If at least you look like Olive, but me nyam this morning. Nyam again, and just done nyam. That looks so cool. You know, see a gas full up. Gas full who up. A gas so make you look so cause you be a gas now the so come for you nyam. Big we gonna like you. Pause. Nobody ever there talk. See, just what you this is my friend. I'm a sister. I'm a business. Are you your sister?
No, girl, I'm a blood sister. I can't beat her. I'm a blood. Somebody want different time now.
Put your hand pa me too. I should have mean. Put your hand pa me. That
I don't know how
one.
many she move like she's so violent. She move violent from the other day.
You don't want to see violence. You don't want to see violence out here.
I become a
Maybe the definition of violence.
anyways, girl. My man, remember say my man wait for me up the road. Yeah, girl. So, me see you. Me see you later.
Yeah. Hey, y'all. Hello, sir.
Good day.
Good day. Can I beg you 5 bills? What the fuck? 1,000.
2004. A joke can make a prank here, prank. Where camera be?
I don't know pranking thing. A pranking thing for beg 500.
Yeah, how much?
They want to know my age. You have to know my age. If you give me more money, it's a crime for beg. You want to know age, then you go in a whatsoever, then you go say me single, then you go say me this, then you go say me that. What else?
Look, girl. I'm going to slap you on that. So, yeah, how much?
Me have a good man.
No fun to talk about a big woman and I want to take a start. Matter of fact, even if you reach 18, you girl, you just start to go to college. You hear me tell you? So better you just go on where you're going.
But just beg you want money for buy something, a shop to make.
Beg you want money to buy something at shop. I want something to take and slap you with. That me I tell you boy, you come talk. You feel like some rampant pick me, come and come a rampant man. Go on here man. My man are you, that boy a big man.
So I just not ask me.
No, I'm just concerned about you, girl.
Why?
Girl, I know them man are scared nowadays. I mean, I want to be on
Before you say Kena good morning, you name, you this, you that. You not say none of that you there talk about man. My man, I don't know where he is. And there's nothing wrong with that. What that have to do with you?
I'm just concerned about you, girl. I mean, I want
So you're concerned about me and I ask about man. No, me if you concerned about you, if you say, how are you? You know, if you talk about man.
Me say, girl, what? I ain't answer. Then me say, what your mom?
Me I go delete you. You not work.
Girl.
You're malfunction.
Anyways, you tell us, say,
Yeah.
the man them nowadays, girl.
What do they do?
Yeah, but I'm my best friend. I know I'm feeling tear. I know I'm hard about can I get
And if you want to your burn him back. 1, 2, 3. Simple.
I just
I just what?
Me never want no video. And true one of
No, no, do me. Why you so? Your
miss-
conscience on me?
How me conscience on me?
You're in a connection with my man.
Girl, me? No, girl. You know me not do that, girl. Never, never. Me not do that, girl. What you mean that?
I hope so.
How about me take my best friend, man? You just like, you want
Right
like one
question.
sister to me, girl. Me not do that, girl.
Me supposed to. Me supposed to be a family.
Yeah,
You know, if
girl.
you do this, son, the next time you see me, don't ask me about no man, ask me about me.
But-
And me and your friend.
but
Not
ask-
me, you are my man, yeah?
But me ask you what, man, you not answer. So me say, where your man?
Where what me not do? What me can mean many things. What me can mean what you doing. What me can mean what happened. What me can mean a lot of things. Next time you see me, you have to say, hi Ken, a best friend, how are you? You eat, you're hungry, you're bad, you had this, you had that. And that you have to say, me know you're here and chat about a man. Next time don't do it again. I'm me and your
Let me
friend,
tell
not me, you and me.
just because one of my next friend, them, our man give her bun. So me
That's
I say me
the
no
next
want
friend
the same thing to
business.
happen to you.
My
And she
man,
in a
no, my
depression
man
right
can't
now.
go anywhere where he want go. Me not in a depression.
But the girl not depression and me
No,
feel
that's
sorry.
she. Me and me. She
And
and
she
she.
know your man have money and something, so you know give your bun, you have to watch him.
No, he not give me no bun.
You have to watch him.
Me not happy. Me trust him. I don't have. What you alright for? What
Girl,
that mean?
me just concerned about you want me.
I
Me
hope
can't
so.
concern about my friend.
Yeah, but you're concerned. Come like a concern. No concern there about certain things. You say me and your family better make sure. No? I mean, girl,
Like sister girl.
make sure. I mean, me no in that. I mean, no ramp.
Girl,
Just saying.
remember say a long time me know you can already cane. I want to play girl.
No. So come, go back and start back again and ask me how was my day and everything. The next time you don't ask me about a man, let me go back to ready again. Come.
What best friend?
And
How are
nothing.
you?
I'm okay.
Have you eaten from this morning?
Yes, I have.
you're
How
come
about
over here.
you?
You look
Yes,
nice.
thank you.
Yeah, girl, you look good. I'm
Thank
telling
you.
you.
You
Yeah,
want-
girl.
yeah.
You're nice. Yeah, girl.
Thanks.
You look good.
I say you feel great every time you see me here.
Alright,
Next time, not grip me about no man. I don't business about no man. You trust my man and he not do nothing. I mean, no, I not do nothing. He might have money, but he loyal. Let me tell you that. Have a nice day.
Remember, say we are good on your road. Yes.
Come.
And where you are go?
Right, I shop this and I go. Where you come from?
Where me I come from?
That me ask you as your husband, where you come from?
Me partner me got through. Me got through me partner.
Look how long me think you're done with that the partner there. It's a woman like it's a woman like uno mash up things and make people cheat. That's what you do. Because you know liar and real.
What mean by me no liar or real? Cause me not understand where I say. Ask me where me I come from. Me say me just go through me partner and come back and what is the
Look how long you throw
problem?
that the partner there. Me don't know when you get the job. Like you start over the partner.
After me not so greedy, me I wait till it last. Throw in me call it me partner.
So one partner stole like about 2-3 years.
I whole heap of money, you know. Almost $1 million that, you know.
You know, say a fool who don't take man for. Somebody say I throw one partner 2 years, I go to 3 years.
Yes, more heap of money. You realize me not ask for no money if you throw me partner.
Me can't trust you, you know. But you get money from me, though.
But you expect me if you trust you do. Look here, nobody with them a foolish partner.
Me feel like I'm a partner you come from. And that me feel like. Like I'm a partner you come from. Like a somewhere else you come from.
Look here, me not have the energy right now. Believe what you want, believe, but just know, don't play with me head. Don't play with me head.
When you throw a partner, you don't get one receipt. Watch your mouth. Lie or tell. No, let me see receipt then, see partner. You know say you want wicked woman youth.
How long made it for? How long we married for first of all? Because we have with daughter before we married. You
Me
know?
not talk about no married man. Me talk about the partner now.
Who are on upon the road that cost? 2 big people.
Look here, one father. And you don't play with me head, you know, because everywhere you see me, you want to cuss me, you know. You just want to load up. Me not in that, brother.
Why
you hear me?
I told her
Wanna
and I'm
father.
alone cost.
And where you are come from?
Sharp. Me I eat snacks.
And if you feel like say you want next girl in my house over there now.
Can't.
Remember, say me and alive you.
You don't cuss on the
That
road.
me a
You
try
can't
tell
take
you.
the argument care go by yard.
Me can't trust you either. So if you not trust me, me can't trust you either. Anyone knows you can't trust me before you married me. You didn't know that.
Where is he then?
Me say if you didn't know that you can't trust me before you married me.
Yeah, change up that. Where is he then?
Me ever cheat on you?
Yeah, where is he then?
Me ever cheat on you? Answer me. Wait. Me ever cheat on
You
you?
carry argument over yard.
Me ever cheat on you?
No, me say where is he the way? Me not talk about no cheating. Where is he the way?
You say I go road, go on. We are go by yard? Yeah. Let's go.
No, me say where is he the fee partner? That me I say, me just want to see receipt. Say go through a partner look for.
You don't need fit in my business. You see, you don't
partner give
care,
you
so you don't need fit in my business.
Can I hear you?
Then if you give your money, you must get a piece of paper. If you say you just give your money.
You don't need fit in my business. Because I know your money me I use to partner. You realize I'm not asking for no money for when?
Where you come from?
I know someone that live careless. I'm telling you, go over the yard with the cousin.
Shut up for your mouth too. Shut up!
I mean, she talk are you?
Come make it.
I feel you matter. I feel you. Cause I don't
She
father.
talk, no.
I feel you she attack. Come on, come up in the yard.
From the right
No, come back.
cousin. Like your money. Come here now,
Go
me
on
give
the
your money.
yard. Go and go give your girl me.
Hold on now.
Go and go give your girl me money. Because you see, you're going to make me kill you, you know.
Hold on,
Alright.
give your money now.
It's a big idiot. Oh, where you going, bro?
Down the road.
Why?
Because up here boy nobody know up there.
A lie. So, maybe I'm not there.
No girl, me seen just up, put on clothes and put on knapsack on him bag and spray
A
up.
lie.
I don't know where I'm going.
No, sir. And who said this word do I call today? This long titty girl, my best friend. I can't tell me about how me fi watch my man or something. Cause my man will give me.
What she mean by?
Something alright.
I wonder if I pay man go and check her or something.
She could never do that.
What you mean by?
That not work.
Don't do that now.
Me and her left few moments ago and we go somewhere and then me I come back and I see me I go in my yard. But when she see me, she a go tell me say she me fi watch me man or something. So how she know say my man not there yard? Cause me did left him up there no. So how she know that?
But probably man link up with myself to tell you.
But me I tell say no man, a girl can't do me that. Cause she know me jagger,
What
she
is
know me
that
japar.
Jagger,
Everything,
jagger.
but she says she think of me as a family. She not supposed to do family that. She must say family ram. And she say, we call it she don't want me get in a depression. So if you know me get in a depression, I presume you want to send me.
She think of your family, right? She not think about your man as a family. Get that in your head.
Girl,
You're not family, not she and your man.
this not work. You did pay light bill? Cause I don't feel like I wanna like sleep light less and anything tonight.
No, Sam, I don't have money.
Me never know. Me left your money up there, no.
Me
So what you mean by you don't
me
have
was
no
down
money?
by craving and rum and something.
I'm a liar, tell.
Me dey feel fast. I'm by
Liar,
one
baby.
too special. I'm gonna get
What you
me
say to
pan
me?
box.
No, sir, this not work. This not work at all. Girl, is it that you go skin out that maga bony porky of yours? Or you go up your hairy body of yours and you go find back the light bill money there, no? Because this not work, this not play. Or is it that you go text somebody man or text somebody poop or something and find back my light bill money? Yeah? Because the only thing we do is live up there freely and that not play.
So you can find it back, like you find it for
Where?
free.
Me find it for the month, you don't do nothing, you know. Just no say you not provide no up there, all you do a drink some more and then you name and then you come piss up me damn mattress. A good thing me a plastic bag over.
So you're a big sister if take care of me.
Girl, look here. You might big, but you know so little. That's you can't take care of yourself, you know. That not playing on tall, yeah. So let me tell you this. You see next time, stop.
Jesus Christ.
Up me like the girl. Ow. Oh.
Papa, what?
Look at your organs.
You're good.
So far. What about you?
What's I do?
Huh?
No.
Why?
Alright, the reason why because my sister not give me nothing for eat for morning.
Your sister that cruel?
Mm-hmm.
That heartless?
And me did come from up at your woman yard and then me did ask her for some more food.
Yeah, man, I know that she will give me a good
But
girl. And cook good too.
when me ask her, she'll turn on the fire a little bit. And me dey wonder, so me she turn on the fire a little bit.
Turn down the fire because you
Yes.
ask her for some.
Then now when me did there something now, she said alright, she go give me it. She give me it. When she give me it now, it did look one kind of way like in a do good or chubika me ask her. She don't make it good. So me just take it and that she will give dog. And not even the dog even eat it. Me say me not why me not beg back her again.
So what about your sister? You couldn't ask her sister for one money, no, your best friend?
No, in the walk and I lie down with be a man and one bag of soap.
Me know you know, man.
Me not do
know
it.
see that girl is careless.
Me not do it.
I lie down for money. Dirty dog and careless bad.
Yeah, so me I beg you $2,000 say me can go down night town go buy papaya or something to eat.
You know, say from morning me left my yard, me never stop at one food shop. And you are beg me one money if you go buy Popeyes. You not even say borrow. You are beg.
Yeah, for do.
You know how much you want Popeyes down there now? We can full belly. Over $1,500 or more.
I just $2,000 me I beg you.
No, you don't know. See where you go there though. Me not have it right now, a card me have. Me not trust another soul with my card. Me only trust my woman with my card. Right? So me can't trust another soul. You go and go check your sister and tell him say me say for lend you $2,000. Me go give back her the 2,000, but you go come up and me and come rake up my yard for 4 days and squeeze out the 2,000.
Alright.
Yeah, cause young girl must what?
Work.
Right. What young girl fi do?
Work.
And what they not fi do?
They not feel lie down for money.
Right, because when you lie down for money, you will attract destruction and home cancer. You hear?
Yeah.
What if you do?
Work.
Good.
Alright.
What young girl fi do?
Work.
Oh, you laugh. Can they laugh? Hello? Yes, Jam Brown? Who? No, man. We had that workout, man. Perfectly. Oh, yeah. Perfectly. Yes. Yeah, man. Ah, Tio, you know what you're talking about.
That.
Hello, hold on. I'm
Me
doing.
hang it up, what you do?
What you hang up my business call for? Why you do that?
What you do then, so?
Well, you know, say you take these things on a
Where
different
you?
level.
Me never ask you that, me ask you what you do then, so is it that you answer me or you shut your mouth?
What kind of business me do?
I don't give a damn. You couldn't thief, old thief, goat thief, cow thief, anything. I don't give a damn what you do.
That's why I go to
What
pick up young
you do
girl.
down here, so?
I am on a mission. I was
Which mission,
I
so?
go just call some package.
Yeah, Tom Cruise?
No,
Eh?
I'm JetBlue.
Come back here, so me a chat to you. Where you come from?
And that's why you see, Father God, why you put me with some wrong set of... That's why I say the older man them better for date than the younger one them.
Shut your mouth. Where you come from? Is it that you answer me question or you shut up? Sometimes you chat too much, you know.
Your hand smell
And
of
that
bully
monkey-
beef.
Yes, come there cook bully beef.
Oh.
Where you coming from? Who you did the pan phone with? That not play no? That not work. Anyhow you can't tell me who. Me I go up and take your clothes, them fling off of the hilltop, scatter it, give everybody. Make your blur them down, level it out and sleep on it.
So who a parent up there? You or me?
Me a
Sometime.
parent up of that. Me parent up of that.
Sometime.
Me parent up of that.
Listen,
What?
I am a businessman, right? And
Where your business be?
if I don't
Where
make
your
money,
business be?
huh?
Where business be?
Telecom.
You say anyhow you can't tell me where you
Telecom.
come from. Listen to me. Say anyhow you can't tell me where you come from.
You
You see what's I call me? Shut up.
Post office.
You say
I can show you the documents.
Tap and eyes. You say anyhow you chat. Anyhow you chat me cut off your tongue. Me say you still call me here so go on. Me know why you pan road, you know. Because that's so you don't right. I mean, not just invest my money for you go to go give me bun. Me chop off, me chop off a little boy. Me chop off little Johnny. Make Johnny go and go play. Yeah? So don't play with me. Speak now.
You don't talk?
Me didn't even start yet.
Listen
Speak
me.
now.
Hold on, let me answer the caller. I'm a big God. I'm a big man. And I am running my business. And my business come with whatever I do. I free if you go when I want. Just like how you're free if you up and down with your friend them, I am also
You're not
free.
You're not free.
Why?
I don't clip their wing there. Find yourself up another yard. Come.
Anyway, I'm gonna find out how. Alright. Hello?
Mommy.
Morning.
You look so
How me look?
stressed and papa-eyes.
Me have to stress your father, stress out the hell out of me.
Well, me have something I want to talk to you about. But me go on the road, but me have something I want to talk to you about, but not yet.
Me go up on the road go do.
Now walk. Wake up on the road, go do. Now walk.
Me go up on the road too.
Wake up on the road, go do.
No worry about that.
If
That
you
is
know
not your business. And come fi think of it. Come fi think of it. It's time for you to go look work now.
So
You
you
don't think
come
about
ready?
that. You don't think if you go look one work now.
If on the day up. Yeah, how much?
Don't ask me my age. Me your size.
You working?
Me your size.
You working?
Why reason why me not
I
work?
don't know, but you're not working.
Your father said me
You're
not
not
fully fast.
working, now you're eating. You're not working, now you're wearing clothes. You're not working, now you're still living, though.
The reason why me not work because the father said me not fi work for people. Me not fi be a slave for people.
Which is
And me a housewife, you supposed to take
Me
care
a
of me. Me not
housewife
supposed
too.
to. The best thing you just go on pan the road and don't bother me this morning, I hear?
So, me about you, but I can truth?
Go on. Just go on. Your father dey on my nerves already, no come pan for me.
You
Alright.
supposed to pay your nerves, eh, my mother? Daddy not for pay your nerves.
I'm a man. I'm a husband.
And me you push out, not him. You and him sign contract. You never sign a contract with me. And me have your blood.
Just go on. Just go on. Me can't take a problem this morning. Go on.
Just go on. Okay, bye-bye.
So you go look what you do, boy, you go pan road.
What's that girl?
Where you come from?
I come from home, this is so. I come from my man.
What man the way say I go give me?
Oh, girl, that's my remember.
I mean I never remember.
From my remember, you not link me, girl.
So me feel the back of your pee clock for man?
Girl, you see true, me have a lot of things from my mind and something me not really remember about certain things sometimes.
And what the your mind so?
People man. If you want more, people man, they for my mind and money.
Yeah, people man.
Yes.
People man.
Mm-hmm.
So me never get down to the party. Who you chat to?
Girl, you know say, between me and you.
Papa, me talk to you. Say man have you man.
So you have to do with me? That not to do with me, girl. Me no business about
You like
that.
you have an obsession with people man. So like oh, you had him a link up. Set me pan him.
No, you can't share me. I share my already and no more.
So you know so nobody else not share him.
Me no business. Me
No,
not
I share
not
him. So
with
nothing
you.
wrong if you share him
Me
with
not
somebody
share with
else.
you. Me cannot get the same money and no. You go shot
But
my
you and
money.
somebody else I get to see money though.
No.
So me and a friend again.
Me and your friend, but me
don't
not
look
share
so.
him. Me not share him.
No, you
girl.
have to go share him.
Me not share him.
You say you not share him.
Yeah, no.
So I say,
No for man.
Who for man?
Okay, no, me a take.
Oh, so I see you come down to things. I say you bring it down to the nitty-gritty.
Girl, me can't share.
It's okay.
Me can't share me two
say
friend
it's
them.
okay. It's okay. Go on. Go on about your business.
Up I man, me I can't
Yes.
give him one more money.
Go
for
on
me
about your business. Don't share him. Go on like you see it. You have raw and you want everybody. You want every man. And you go like an innocent. Eh? And have raw. But don't worry, oh, it's my first victim, yeah. Tell your sister, hold on. Tell person. You know, say sister whore. Sister want look at whore, you know.
No, your best friend.
Yeah, but the truth. Truth hurts sometimes, you know.
Oh.
The truth, she did with her friend man. Kind of man.
Eh?
Yes.
No man, me have to go cuss her, man. Me have to go cuss her.
But
and
nobody
talk.
say me said when. No mention me name. But as I tell you, come on, I want you to get hurt. A people man. And it's another people man and make the wife find out. She come look for you. But as I tell you, if you put her up on her guard, yes, tell her see you find out. Don't call me say no call me name. Not tell her see me tell you nothing.
Alright, girl, no worries. I'm not
No,
calling you. I'm go talk to her.
Alright. Make sure you say no call me name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Friend, come here. How are you, Sado?
Stand up as usual.
Oh, so what?
Me good.
Girl, you don't know what say. My sister, me see friend on the road. In the can tell me about how my sister they take somebody man.
Sister do?
Take somebody man.
If a man.
You don't know a girl never tell me.
Well, me not have nothing to say no. I'm in a business. She can't take anybody man she want to take. But me know she take none of my man them.
Oh, so much money you have.
About 10. And maybe 11, me don't know whenever they account. But
So
me
we
not-
do it so much man.
But me do so much man. You say life hard now. Me have to have one to do this, one to do that. For instance, I want burger now, I call my main man and not have it. If I come back up man, if back man have it, call my side man. I have to pay internet bill, I have to serve with me, I have to do the tongue work. Yeah,
I say you're hot.
I have to pay the pension.
You're hot though.
So what mean by girl at hard time now, life a beat me, so I need to collect money from the man them.
Oh.
Yeah. But that's one of my man them she a talk to. Cause if me
Well,
find
me don't
out,
know about that. So well, you have to go find out.
if my friends and my man she a talk to it now go pretty.
Dear.
Yeah.
Well,
So when you see her, you talk to her, you want her.
yeah, that me have a
And
plan
find out
for
what man she a take.
me go find out and talk to her and something. So yeah.
So we are reach now.
Me a come go up, go see me see girl.
Alright. Later.
Alright.
Oh God.
Where you come from?
You mean where me I come from?
This looks suspicious, you know. Where you come from? Things look fishy.
Me no know why you ask me them kind of question, you know. Me a big woman, where you ask me where me I come from. Me supposed to ask you where you are come from.
I am walking. Let me tell that you understand me I go about my business, you know. You're not true in a partner. A partner the way I true. And yes, for information I know about you and Roy. Are true?
Look here, let me tell you this. Me a big woman. Me a big woman. Little girl, don't question me. Let me tell you that. Don't
You can't call
question
me
me.
little girl because I'm a mother, but if anybody else ain't can't call me little girl because I'm 19. Are true? Oh, you alright?
Look here, me have to do what me have to do to survive, you know.
So you have to try to
Me
hard to
have-
survive?
Me have to do what me have to do to survive. Because you see a dirty pooper, he not give me $1. Your pooper not give me $1. So let me tell you that me have to do what me have to do to survive. And if me hear about this out of your mouth, me kill you, me pies you, me analyze you.
Me nanny am fry you again. Me never tell us to go breed for him. Me don't born already and can't take about. But say where you want, say me no business.
Look here, come here. Me no want you go to your father and tell him all about this, you know. Me have to just do what me have to do to survive. And remember say me your mother.
So me look like my mother who said, Daddy, mommy, I give bad. Me just go to him and tell him, sir.
Me no know.
Me how much?
I don't know if you go tell him or not. But me I want you, please not tell him. Although he not give me nothing, you know, so I don't care if you want to tell me yes or no. He not give me nothing, he not give me $1. Me just have to do what me have to do. Me tell her the truth. Me not hide it from you and my daughter. Me have to just do what me have to do to survive. Because sometimes me not have nothing down there no, and me a dead be hungry. After me no idiot. A woman me near me can go pan the road. Man a look me no. One heap of man a look me. And me not go sit down in no house as a wife. As an idiot.
Who did tell us if he say yes when the ring come out?
Then time they did give me money. Man change a lot. When man just a look you,
Me not married.
then give you everything.
Me
But
not
further down
married.
in a relationship, then change.
Me feel like something can change him. See someone serious here, so pick some, boil it, and tell him say apple juice. Put the sugar in there, give him for drink cool. That must change him. Boil it strong. Make sure dry nice sun. Say bit and he stand up in here and give him for drink. He must change.
And you know how your father stay. You know that. You know your father not give me nothing. Your father not give you know. Your father run out to go look work already.
But I don't even know what to tell you, say. Honestly. Are you make a choice and you make a decision wrong. So you can't tell you what to do or what to say. You don't do what you have to do. I don't ban already, I can't
Me
go
have to
back.
just do what me have to do. I need money. I need lot of stuff. Him can't dig me every night and no soap barely day in a yard. Me have to hustle it to go buy soap to wash my vagina.
So how you clothes then wash?
Ask him.
So how you underpants then wash?
Ask him.
How you beard?
Ask him.
How you heat?
Maybe a source of water. But he not really buy soap again. He not buy nothing. He barely buy food. So me go turn down
you
there
buy bathing soap for beard?
because I love me. I go turn down there and dead be hungry.
Yes, you say love is blind.
No. This I love you not blind at all. Me eye them open now. It was blind
And my friend
before
tell me,
you
say,
come.
love just bounce like a ball and gone. Love just bouncing for it here 2-3 times and then it gone. So you know we love gone.
Well, got to do what I got to do. Just life.
Me gotta do what I gotta do and shut my
Till
mouth too.
your father find out. Me I go up the road.
Alright. Daddy, evening. We can't get the money to pay my boyfriend. Give me money. We pay you back.
You really ask me for money. I would don't agree say if I go look work already.
So now I ask my father.
No man, go look work man. And tell her oh yeah, you wanna move. Me is just a handout. Daddy give me money, daddy give me money, daddy give me money. I mean I see no result tight. Me not have no money.
So
man.
if you like me, I am blind and beg.
Me not have no money.
You know, because daddy.
You get me? Me not have no money. Everybody say I go look work.
So you don't know if me get the work,
I have to
yes
fill
or
out resume
no.
and everything.
You don't know if me get the work, yes
Alright,
or no.
me not have no money. Me not have no money.
That's why I get born. All the partner who say she have a chore, man, no partner who me a chore. Man a chore partner up on the knee, mommy. That's why I get born. Hey, not give me my money when me forget.
That's none of your problem. Yeah, you soon find out. Yeah, listen me now. Me say, if for that, you soon find out.
Okay.
You soon find out, man.
Okay. Stingy.
Where is?
I don't find you. I shop me out your pan.
Where is where we are shopping? You know, said this is something not open until how much we are doing.
Well, me ask if it's open because I checked him last night. I'm not going to evidence. I said, come back today. And the shop lock.
Say you could come and shop open and not say nothing to me.
No more be the first customer for going to get what I want to get.
Yeah, but you know, say yes. What time now? Let's see. After 12. This is shopping open until 2-3 o'clock.
Listen,
Sometimes 4 o'clock.
Okay, you know the fire. You know I'm playing a mind game for me.
Which mind game?
You think you're going to check me this morning? I'm going to check my shop lock and you know
So
the
what you
day.
are checking for?
Something. Look at the agency.
Which dividend?
And if you know come out by the time I'm ready, I'm going to know about it.
Wait, the little man.
What do I know too?
Hey, what is that coming up?
Yes, we
I
know
know if you have nothing for me, so you see my say what I was saying. I have nothing for me, I know. You're not talking full story and that
I'm along with him and come collect money today. I don't see him.
But anyways, me have something to tell you. My friend come to me this morning, you know, he come to me and say, see you like a your friend. I text somebody man.
Tell you.
I'm asking how woman she take constitution and who.
How?
So me I tell you, so keep your hand open.
So what that have to do with me? Tell you can't take my man. Me die some up, man. We roll him up.
Why am I tell you to keep your head open? Because me say she was gonna take
They
the
always
man.
open. Everybody knows me a man can. Nobody know. Me not think nobody believes. That not work. Nobody not believes.
What do you feel?
I know so I feel like someone know. Only walk when you're taking him and then his wife come kitchen and no, you're not chopping.
She can't look about it.
What you
The
mean?
bad girl is here now, you know see?
Which part?
She feels to relax
Which
herself
part?
in this up.
The bad girl is you know, let you look like a one look out. Boy, what you mean by? You better
Because-
you say the bad man is here.
Because if you check him look like boy, me can check him look like girl. You understand me to your house? Go along with your business. Now go and go sit down. You must come out.
I'm going to link my bonnet man in a whoop you over the two.
Oi, now put one foot up. Come here, man.
Shit.
Now put what? Where I go for people in here? Go.
Be a piece, me I go piece.
If you're pissing at people in here, yeah, I think.
All
Oh,
right.
no say nothing. Your daughter tell me everything already.
Me
But
daughter
go and
tell her
come.
say.
I tell me say every time you go pay a partner, no partner you go pay. A man you gone there. Oh, say a man you this you go then.
A people, me I go people. We can't move some me and G.
I mean me and G. Alright, a people you go people. People then let me see then. You that
don't
man
want people.
with just one way, and you know, you go people right there, so a way I go open.
I never did I go people, so me I go people over there so be
No.
like banana tree.
People make me see. Cause people are right there, so me see. I go people make me see.
Me not like how you move, man. Everything me daughter say you fi believe.
Cause good everything I go, and I know you choose to match it up. Yeah.
What me I do?
You not take- where ring there for your finger? Small ring there. Where you ring there?
What me I do?
No, where I do? Everything
Tell me
good.
what me I do.
You know what? Me go let you off with a warning. Say, see next time, walk on chalk light. Do not make me catch you, you know. A people, you go people. Go on,
Me
go.
don't stop go on some.
No,
We
no.
can't go
A
on
people,
some.
you go people. Go on, go people. But me just make you know, say. See next time like this, if you try to use your brain for me, me need to tell you what I got.
Me know say a long time me no
No,
give.
is that-
Come now.
No,
Me know
what?
say a long time me no give nothing. Tonight me go give something.
Tonight, so tonight I choose to give me something now. Tonight I choose to give
You
me
know say
something.
I told me this sick.
She is sick.
Tonight me go skin out to give you. Come on.
No, yeah, tonight.
Come on,
No, go and go peeping. You know say you want peeping.
Me come on and
Sister, I
me
love
no
you.
so.
No, some of me I come on. It's
Me
alright.
come.
Man. It's alright, man.
Hi. How are you? Why you look so?
Why your friend not true? So why you do up here? So you don't live up here.
Girl, I walk around the streets. I know somebody go up there, so I'm in lost, and somebody I show me said this is where I can't walk here, so somebody show me
Big
said,
liar. A liar even right out on top of your forehead. What make you lie so girl? Girl.
me lost for 2 1.
Oh, you feel like so you live through them your bushy streets and I so we grow. What you mean by where you do up here so?
Oh, the man up there so show me the road and me walk and come and me know you so me I go down and me yard, girl.
So where you are then?
Down hill down there, so.
So where you do up hill up here so no don't say you feel it.
No, I want my friend me they go up there so go look for.
Which friend?
What's your name? Moody.
Moody down there.
Moody gone.
My man family live up there. And for yesterday you been up weird. And let me tell you this, for the love of Jesus and baby Jesus, Father Mary, Father Abraham, Mother Mary, everything. If we nail them or crucify God on the cross. Where you do up here, girl? Me and your friend, you know. But let me tell you this. You see, anyhow, me have to go lift up my foot after you for my man, it'll go happen. Come let me tell you this. My man family live up there. And he said him a go find family. So what you mean by?
No, so me not thinking up that door. Oh, me mean say like me that pass the yard, cause me know the members say me live up in one time. So me pass there. You know like I'm
You're lying now, Ado.
me not see nobody
You
up there,
really
girl.
truly can't check.
Me not see
You're not
nobody.
just your last. I know you're not, me and you did go up there or something.
Me I tell her say me pass the yard and me I come down here.
You know,
so.
say you're big and lie though. And it a show up and you look quite so cute. You have to tap tell lie. Look if you know you know so start go like a Pinocchio. There's something they not play, they not work.
But girl, you know
So you know what you need to do? Girl, you better chill in car. One room I ground so you take man and make sure no my man. And how you know say my man not there up there? What you mean by you not see?
because the door and the
AC.
gate lock up.
AC in a house, he can't do there or something. But what you do this so?
I tell
You
you-
live done so. Don't make me see you back in another lane. Hell, you me see you now. Me chop off your tent to what I'm saying.
So me and a friend.
I don't
We
give
are
a
best
damn.
friend. We are come from so. That's how y'all treat me.
You can't want it? You have this? You have baby Johnny? No, you don't. You can't please me. Your tongue now gonna work because that's fishy. Don't make me see you back up here, you know. And let me see you back up here. Me chop off your tent. Girl, walk.
Girl, bye.
Hey. Oh, you come here.
I want to know.
Right. Even if it says, me you say, yo, you take people, man.
Me.
No, me.
Okay. So I go spread my name and attack.
No, me that's for the name. No, me that's for the name. I your best friend.
My best friend now do that.
I your best friend.
She now do that.
And she see me and tap me and tell me.
You too live. You're that's why mommy and daddy abandon you, you know. Cause you too lie. You have to stop tell lie. The lie printing on your forehead. Cause me know my best friend not doing that. And you come and talk about my best friend. You a spread my name.
Me not for the name, girl.
And you a spread my name.
But that girl out of order.
Stop spread my name. Stop spread my name. Yes, it's true, you're my sister. Me no want.
No, but hold
Me
on
no
then.
want put me hand
Hold
on
on
you.
then.
I know that. Fling a stone after me.
You out of order. You out of order.
Move. Fling a stone
I
after
know
me.
one thing today. Me bust up head out
Fling.
here.
Fling if your name or your name. Fling a stone.
Go and ramp
If
with
your
me.
name or your
Go
name,
and ramp
fling.
with me. Let me fling you all
If your name
Let me fling you all out
Fling
here.
if you're bad. Me not even move. Me not even move for you. Tell me friend you. Big quarrying girl. You not take people man too. You are take people man too.
Me now walk
Not
and
me
take people, man. You don't walk and take people, man.
Is not me.
Girl, you can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to
But me
me.
not take the name man there. So me not have to talk to you.
Sure, say you take it right, man. You hear? And so,
And that's how you good for to take up
and so
stone.
lick out.
That's how you good for to take up stone. You can't do nothing else. Just take up stone. Move fire someone and go. Yeah, come on. Yeah. I got plenty of stuff in you make pay.
Yeah, black flower.
You know what the Panama chips guys, the first it's on the field, so we can look on the posters, or see what's wrong with it. You know?
Hello, sir.
Well, one.
Hi.
Yes, we there interact with the people that's on the line, you know?
Why look at the way you promised me from the other day?
Oh, you look at something from here. Listen, man, I'm telling you now. Me and my woman and our Edna so write it, right? And also his girlfriend. A girlfriend. Me understand say me went jump few weeks ago in time me do rare, right? And the third time me never did jump because when me done going out when me jump, the 2 time me just take it the third time. Yeah. Cause once it served me, serve her properly. But when you come on to your friend, you must have a little conscience. What time for you ease off a little bit now, man?
I never ask about my friend or where you going or where you not going. And I ask about this something where you
See it?
promise me.
You don't care about nothing. I say your program. I say young girl, I say your program. That's why I say, what you do you know? Tell me the truth. If you take you up, you are going to trust me?
No.
Exactly.
Me not trust you. Me not
That's
trust nobody. Me not trust me.
That's why you have to find a man when you have no woman. It's easy. All you have to do is put out the application, you must find them. Get a contract, make them sign it. Anytime you're going to a relationship, you give a man a contract to sign. Go in front of police and make him sign it. Why not to do anything to pay that? Try that. That's the new law when we come out with. They say me a date a woman now, we give them a contract to sign.
Yes. I know something did a go on.
Yes or no, if you could
Where
just
is the
walk.
one?
No,
I'm
you
like-
can't see I'm black.
Not lying, you see me the pan. Where they go on?
Where is the one? You know,
Oh, so they said the people, man.
Who? So that's what you do?
They want to tell me, say she dey take people, man.
Who tell you
Tell
that?
me who are the
Me never
people.
tell her that girl and tell lie for me. So I true,
You
my
want me to
sister
go
that
down in the
talk.
details?
My sister that talk true say you are tell people, say me I take people
But
man.
you take people, man.
Me not take nobody man.
Stop take people, man.
Me not taking nobody
And
man.
a people, man, this year take.
You did you see she a take me? You see she a
No,
take
she
me?
tell me.
She tap
Me tell
a
us
beg, she tap better a beg a
No,
$100.
she tell me
Come
everything.
water
She go down in a deep.
Water the name thirsty girl, so me ask him if he can buy more water.
Oh,
You know,
So
see how the
that's
sun
what they
hot?
do.
You know, see how the
You
sun
beg
hot?
water, you beg thing.
Look at Pinocchio. Listen to me. Stop tell lie for me. Me
Don't
no.
I find your woman, you know.
Huh?
Don't make I find your woman.
Hello. Me no date her. No run them joke man.
But you sleep with her, though.
When?
Yeah, please her, though.
When?
Enough time.
How?
What do you mean, how? If you think what me don't know, me know, you know.
So you really tell people my business.
You see, say something goes off with you.
Me never tell her
And-
that. Me no know
No,
where to get
mistake
the
me make, a
information
mistake me make.
Another mistake, I see where so I go, I go find your woman, and I go make the people that woman beat you.
And me gon' beat you
Fart your
after.
chat.
Me gon' beat you after.
Fart your chat.
Nobody come and beat me. Me after your yard and me come beat you.
So you sure say I got the strength to come beat me?
Okay, I go see. No,
What's wrong with you? You see all you can't keep your mouth. You know forget no man no fit
You're not there with no man.
You know fit dead man.
People money
When
okay,
you
have.
attack people man they keep your mouth shut.
I have been stand with one woman and stop sleep with too much woman. I can't tell Kena.
You ever see food that cook for one pot?
What?
You ever see food where call it? You ever see pot for one burner cook?
It have to cook for one first. When you're done with one, you go to the next one.
Exactly.
You're not done with one. You're not done with one. You cook for about 20 burner.
At least me not the pan fit. Me not fear burner them.
Me not have the
Hello.
burner for you come.
Is
And
that
my burner
from
they
today?
can't hold you.
Is that from today?
You see you.
When you see me,
You see you.
You can't hold your mouth.
You can't hold
You
your
can't
mouth.
hold your mouth.
You don't know how to hold for your mouth.
It's alright, Moody. Me not say that.
What you have to say?
Me and you no friend fan today, no.
I
don't know
care
if you hold your mouth.
zero.
I'm talking to you now.
I care
Me
zero.
and you do a thing, right? I'm say you have to keep it between
So
yourself.
all you say, you know,
Right? Shut your mouth. We're talking.
Chat
Me
too
I
much,
listen.
man.
Me I do that talk to you.
And you walk round with my business, but dash it pan a garbage truck. Yeah.
Who you call garbage truck? See the
I am-
garbage truck right there, so.
And you know so the garbage truck go stink up your place.
Okay.
I'm my best friend. I'm the church. So every time I never know see I say more light.
Let me teach you something. There's no friend trusted.
Me and your best friend, and you tell me, say, people, man, you talk about tell us, say, leave me for the people, and man, you say, no, you can't show me more, so I gonna spill the tea, and I gonna let it out, and I gonna chat like a parrot.
He's a hypocrite.
I don't care what you want to say.
You're bad.
Look, two of them fucking move.
You're bad man. Yeah, you're bad man. Me never catch you.
I know T.I. betrayal. These friends only come around you because they want you.
Boy, them girls chat too much. That time I'm not to date. Oh shit. Oh God. Yeah, baby. I like me there, no, baby. I hate to do this on live, man. I talk to my fans, them kind of know, say, that's how we making money, you know. Can't make Rosalie alone and making money them on the live, so. I put them on the live are big too.
I'm telling you something.
Eh? Oh? Only so.
Me not-
Your
me not
friend?
call me, no, you're here.
Your friend attack? You must be mad, babe. You don't want that girl, eh? You see him breast big. You not get them girl, eh?
Good same thing, breast because
No,
you
no.
just hold, you can't suck it, you can't use the wrap around your neck.
No,
everything.
me not date them girl, baby. Not do that, man. Next thing me in a bedroom and in stifle with him breast. Them. No, you mad. And you alone.
Somebody tell me say mama cannot
No,
keep
no,
a
no,
man.
no,
Shut
nobody-
up now, give me a chance. Me tell you sometimes I chat.
Look, I'm the people that
Me no
want
want
to
see
You know what I'm
nothing.
saying? Yeah.
Listen to what me I say.
Uh-huh.
Me say, he ma come out to your lane and he ma talk say you know did there something. So me I wonder how she know that. And such. Cause somebody tell me say he ma thief people man. Or something and that now play. Let me tell you so. You see any you know see you better tap it because me dice up she and dice you up to here.
Oh,
Oh what?
me. Me look like Aki and Rosetta. Eh? Me look like Aki and Rosetta with them fake love.
Yep.
No, baby, my love is real. It's not like Aki and Rosetta. My love is for you alone. You say you're beautiful. I'm not do that. I love you. I want to cheat by you.
I
So
just
what?
want to say nothing what you do not prove that day.
You know what is love?
Love is a thing that shaped like a lizard, they run through your heart and tip like a lizard.
No. Love is spiritual. It's when you have spiritual love, that's what I keep. And I love you. No matter what, I will always love you. And I'm not going to cheat on you. Promise. I promise you, baby. I won't cheat on you. I love you to the max.
Hey, you know, say me chop you up, you just protect yourself. You're not doing that at all. Anyway, you feeling me that I can want if me chop you up too. Run put me. Me shop me last and it put on over there. So me tell your friend now, you see the look see you. Me I go cut off your toe. Me I cut off your hand.
TikTok strike me. I'm end the live. Hold on. Cheese strike. Then give me, you know, baby. For no reason. Yeah, any.
You hear now?
Yeah.
Me say, any you know say you. Me chop off your 10 toe of them. You say you can't walk. Your 10 finger them. Say you can't do nothing with it. And me I go slice him, me go part a little Johnny son. So
Why you have to trouble Johnny? Why you have to trouble Johnny?
Because man will get born deserve you know you able to use your weapon again. The only part where left intact for you are your body wall and you're not gonna take no in your body wall. So go on with your business and don't make me see you back in the lane there. Just say no. See if you go to your family, maybe the back of you. Anyhow, me I tell you no. Yeah, watch. Go on with your business.
Good on you.
I don't business. You're supposed to. Go on before me go up and poison your food.
No, I'm not food I eat. Not talk about somebody bonus.
Good day, Miss Lady. Good day. We have one question for you. I know you're under, but we have one question for you. Because I may not disbelieve. If you have one man, I have one friend. And you hear say friend I take people man, right? And then afterwards you find her in a lane where your man family and son live. What you done?
My advice now, don't trust friend. You hear? Because see me my husband don't yard, you know. And I feel me look one with us, not me cat, you know. So me tell you this, you can't trust friend. All the man them are dog too. A dog too, then they don't know what it's about them, but them are dog. They want Dick, Tom and Harry. So you can't trust friend. Friend is your biggest enemy. Your closest friend too is your enemy. So don't trust them. All myself, I can't even trust myself either. Because my husband is that teacher. What man yard me there come from.
Yeah.
So don't trust friend. No pure close and them there. Don't trust them. My biggest enemy here.
But you know, no friend put me like me somebody chop him up. So I don't know if it and the man was no friend put me can me poison.
You know, say you look like I want good little girl though.
Yeah, me good, but me mad man. Yeah, me cannot invest so much for lose. Imagine you invest $1 billion in a startup company. Then 2,000 company crash you lose $1 billion. How you would have feel? But a man not so. That's my feeling.
You look like a good little girl though. You give me a number. Let me give you for me.
No.
I'm not coming phone with you. Alright, my name Tiana here. Yeah, if you want somebody to talk to you can call me.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. That's all.
Oh, me can't follow me. Mommy, where you do by sir?
Me if you ask you the question where you are do over here, so.
What you mean me I do over here, sir?
We are do over my man yard.
You who?
My man.
I'm a man yard.
What do you mean your man yard?
I don't understand what I'm going right so.
No, sir.
So make tell me say to where take the same man? You kill it enough you your daughter sleep with the same man?
Me careless. How me fi know say you chat to the same guy when me a chat to? Me careless, it better you say two we careless.
No. Come in on a man a yard, you know. You have man a yard, you know.
No,
You
it
have man a
better you
better, you
say
know.
the two we careless because as a mother and a daughter, we supposed to sit down and make we know who is fool for man and who is not fool for man. As a mother and daughter, two we careless.
A yard alone careless, Miss.
No, the
you have
two
daddy a yard. You're not supposed to have no other man nowhere. You have daddy a yard. You have Rye up there, so who else you have? Me no know. You have Damien too.
Yeah. First of all, a Damien give me money. Everything when I'm over there, Damien give me money if feed you.
Oh, so are you the fat girl that take all of the money and me forget?
I mean, if I'm here, the fat girl will take all of the money.
Yeah,
you forget.
because my Fatima be not take all of the money when me forget and me lie down for free.
Me not hear a good.
How we
Repeat back over.
Miss
When
Faye.
the part when they say the fat girl, repeat.
Yeah, come here, so one fat girl that take your money and me take.
That me your size. Can I pray that song?
Oh yeah, drip.
Me your size.
Oh yeah, drip, Mr. Fat.
Listen, me your mother. Don't call me girl. Me your
I'm
mother.
calling a girl, you know, me tell you like how me hear the story and the statement, or me get it, me give it back.
Continue. Continue.
How long you and him in a talk?
Long time. 6 months straight.
We have been attacked them before that.
How long?
Nearly 2 years.
Well, you have to go choose which one that we want.
And me, I go choose.
Because I my one will give me money if you take care of you, your father. Remember, say your father, now, first of all, a man will call your father, a man will be married to. It's not your father.
So you want them all get jacket?
Well, it's a must. Jacket have to wear. It's a must.
Jacket not have to wear. We wear suit. So before you get the suit, you get a jacket.
Before me know your father, me have a belly, you know.
Oh, so you just fling it belly
You just
on him.
fling it pan him. Cause jacket he have to wear. There's a must that we Jamaican
Right now, me
do.
cool. I mean, I have on a jacket. Jacket not have to wear. Clothes have to wear.
No, me not, brother. You not come back over here, son.
You not come back over here.
Yeah, so it's mine.
You don't step back a foot over here. Don't even make your shadow pass the gate.
That's Christ.
Not even your shadow. You and your daughter later with the same man.
You lay down with him.
So we could have come out of the house and lie down with man. So me just go in and go sit down and go
You use condom. You use condom with him. So how you feel down with that man and you use condom?
Because of my man.
You sure you're man?
He's my man
I'm my man.
for nearly 2 years, so don't have to use no condom. And you more use a condom.
Wait. Check it out back. You and this guy talking for 2 years.
Not 2 years yet, fully.
And that you said?
Nearly 2 years, Miss say.
That you just
Well,
said?
anything Miss say. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look here, the man have to go choose, and when he might choose, he have to choose me. So you first of all, go on your yard.
No, me forgot call him
Let me
Damien.
go check him. Call,
Damien!
go on your yard. Go on
You
over.
come over here, come see me.
You was coming out and I was.
No, me not gonna go nowhere. Tomorrow I'm gonna take him today. Damien! Me say,
Go on your yard. Go on over. All right.
worry yourself, enjoy it. Make sure you take it good. Man, you want, I can give you man. Mr. Jutta.
And when since you call me so?
I have something to tell you. Unfortunately, I am not your daughter. Okay?
Who going about a ramping me, you know? Every minute you come with a prank, you think me a ramping thing?
Wait,
You're a
camera.
ramping thing with me, you know?
Wait, camera there. Mr. Jutta. I never me say it. I never the DNA say it. It came from the horse's mouth. So stepfather, cause you're not my father, you know. It's not me say it.
Where your mother there?
Oh, my mother, she take my man.
What you mean?
She taking my man.
Where she there? Where she there now?
She down at the yard down there, so me can carry go show her, you know.
Joke thing you on?
Look like I'm laughing.
Ah, come in. Come show me where she there.
Okay, come lead the way.
No, you lead the way, no, you
But-
say you know a way.
But not kill her, no. When I say my mother, just care a couple lick well, cause she take my man, I mean, no, if you take the same man. All right. At Miss head down the car.
Nah, the car kill. Just. Over here, so?
Yes, over here. Me and if you take the same.
Call her out. Me a eye back here, so. Here?
Mommy, come here. Come on.
Come out, fair, come out there. You see some man a idiot. See some man a idiot. You think some man a idiot? No. No wrong people, yeah.
No, me come, me love you. Me not leave me, please.
You're funny. Top tech people, man. Stay with the bamboo you have in your yard and don't go after the bamboo.
I really got to call your father. We are not even your
You're not selling me, pa.
I really can't suppose to me.
Me tell you no kill. Stop tech people, man. Keep one man. Sit down on the ground, come and I help you.
Damien, sorry about what happened at your gate the other day. No man, I'm my daughter. Right now, me I tell you the truth, me hate the little pit there right now. I don't have nothing to do with her. Me hate her right now. First of all, you have to go choose against who you want. Okay. You have to go choose. And you have to go leave her alone because me not have nothing to do with her or me not want you have nothing to do with her either. Alright.
Yes. Well done. Your begs. She begs to come before the left her. Then begs. What can go so?
Your father left me, I'm still there.
You don't have much time here.
Remember you this.
Have
Remember say
here.
the man is not your father, you are a jacket.
Well, I know
remember
business that you give me wrong, Papa. Him know me pa me go make forever make it tell me pa until me find me right, Papa.
Continue saying, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, eh? Don't worry yourself. If I lick you, you will never survive.
Me not say you can't lick me, no. But you see the day when you put your hand on me go down and my grandpa and my grandma graveside and go ball and make them be with you.
You better ball good. You don't know what come to you, you know. So you just go and relax. Go and enjoy yourself and pick up over man we enough your blood.
Yourself.
You hear?
Me no business. Just like you see.
Blood thicker than water. Remember that. Blood thicker than water.
If never tell me say you hate me, you chat out your mouth like say you hate me. And I am me ma.
Well, don't worry yourself. Something is coming for you.
It'll come for you too.
Father God.
Slowly but surely.
You didn't know me kill you when you were a baby.
You didn't know my mother me run away for a long time.
Oh, you go run away and me kill you. If me didn't know, so that's how you did our
Well, you never know, but me know you're my mother, so me have time for running now. And me a big woman, they can't lick me. Me have all right to do me want to do and please to do. Please myself.
You're a big woman. You're a big woman.
You want to tell me to left?
You're a big woman.
You want to tell me to leave?
He was enough for you. But he was for me because the man married me.
You want to tell me to leave? You only have a matter of time here. Best believe you're not staying here for long.
And you only have a matter of time on the earth.
Same for you. Who to tell if you don't have 12 hours left to live?
Who to tell if you don't have 2 hours left to live?
Well, at least maybe living. Enjoy to the fullest.
It's okay, no
and
problem.
Like you, we are cause of a man. I tell man to choose.
You know the cause of a man too?
You hear me on phone chat?
You never did a cause over the boy?
You hear me on phone chat to man?
Just know say the boy go choose me.
That nothing to do with me. You always say my boy. I don't want a boy, I want a man.
You want a man?
Yes.
You a big man? Can
boy
you manage
boy
man?
Mindset, man of man mindset.
Can you
boy
manage man?
Beat and lick and kick down woman.
Can you manage man?
Me a what?
Oh, sorry. Don't worry yourself.
You look like you a girl. You're no woman. A boy.
Don't worry yourself.
Me not worry. I'm quite fine.
Look here, I'm in an argument with you.
I'm not arguing, you know. I just stop by and hear you talking. I mean, just tell me I go say something.
Hello? No, man. No, not really make me hang up. Just give me some time. I soon call you back. Alright.
Why you never tell the man say they are to do over man? Why you never tell the man they are to do with the data over him?
Don't worry yourself.
Why you not find him now?
Come out of my business.
You want me to help you pack?
Come out of my business.
Want me to help you pack?
Don't worry about me. Me have 2 hands.
I'm going to help you pack, friend?
No,
come and help
me don't
you.
need the help.
You will see.
Yeah. Go out.
I love that. You have to tell us anytime you see me, you feel great me like you're happy to see me.
Hello, Kena.
Hi.
Your man dead though. Your husband.
No, I'm gonna do this.
Oh, how you go?
Eh?
Where you go?
I go check my baby. I go check my boyfriend.
Oh, how your man there?
Open on my nose, well, where you want to know that for? But tell us, from what day you just act weird, you know. And that not work. Stop asking me about my man. If I know the only thing where you can do is see me and see me alone. Stop asking me about my man. That not work. That not play. I tell you. Where my man they have to do with you, right? Being right here.
Let's ask. Me anyways, watch me hear this man. You like it?
No, me not like it.
I try.
Still not like it.
Anyways, let me tell you when me ask you which part your man there. What day you me a walk past down there so and me see Moody with your man. Your man a give bun, you know. Your man a give bun. Me see Moody down there so with your man. What day you down and scheme down.
Liar tell.
Girl, me see the man with the eye.
You are tell.
Me see the man.
If you see him from what day, I never tell me from what
I
day.
never see you from what day, yeah?
You lie. And that's
Me
what
never
you
see you,
big
girl.
fat girl. Now yesterday you see me, eh? And yesterday you see me, I couldn't talk all of them see you yesterday.
Me
see you come out and me alien when man live. What you mean by? Eh? But it's okay. I shall about this.
No,
you're
girl.
real. Me tired of you. Me done with you. Bye.
Don't buy your business, man. I give bun. Go. Watch me. I need not take so long to dry. Can't remember that now. It's a magazine. Hi.
Hi.
Wow.
How you go?
Hi.
How you go?
Girl, Papa me I look for you and see him.
You not plan with her take your best friend, man?
No. Girl. Let me tell you something. Him do feel kind of head. And I want my head to do too. You know this time I wash it. And I wait for it to dry. So I look thin now. So when it dry, I can go downtown, go buy the bread them, and go right in a Shelly hairdresser. And the girl go sit down in a chair and she do me head.
Hey, your man.
Girl, you know hard. You know how long it take me to get him man fly
You know
again?
how man come by?
What that have to do with you?
You not have to kill your man.
No.
Is it your man?
Am I man
It is
now?
PPL, people
I
man.
do not care what you want to say. Me they take him and you not get him is one.
Me not get him. You don't worry yourself. Me want to soon, you know.
So why you see me?
I'm not even for your man. You see like how you a take her man.
Yeah.
You can't go with yourself. Me, I go take him.
You can't take him.
Me don't talk, you know.
Cause me don't tell Kena. Me don't tell Kena lie upon you already. Hey Kena, one find off your broke part of you. Cause me tell Kena.
Wait, Paul, shut up. So you go tell lie upon me to the people them woman.
Yes.
So me I take them man.
Yes.
And then come and hug me.
Yes.
And then
me
come
tell
and
the
hug
girl
me.
say you they take her man. So when Kena see you, Kena go pull you and he go beat out your
And as me I say, have the audacity. Let me go.
Let me go first and you want me first. So. Let me go
You have
first.
the audacity to come and stretch out your long empty and then boy you can hug me.
Cause me not see you for
Cause
this long
nothing.
time.
You not see for this long time you let me come back?
Oh, me see you yesterday.
Look off my clothes. Don't push me.
Don't push me.
Hey,
Push me again. Push me
I will
again.
show you step people man who put in a problem in a girl.
Push me again and see me no go fit.
Go fi Kena.
Go fit it.
Go fi Kena. The dear me idiot you.
Beat you.
Liar. You see how people like me and you.
Jesus Christ. Jesus. Oh God. Can I sister want more one question for you, so me tired. Me have one question for you, so, right?
Ask me.
If you have one best friend and you have one friend and you dey talk to one man, what the man give things and the man spend on you and something, talk it God Almighty to you would take him man.
It depends.
It depends on what.
Who money I take?
Girl, you don't have to know that. Me just ask you a simple question. You ask me a who.
Girl, it depends on the man where you take. You see the man nowadays out here, they have that man in the yard and then still go to go give the next man phone. With somebody who look worse than man in the yard.
Point exactly.
So we are going to come from up there, so we are so we can run come down.
I want girl up there so want beat me up.
Who are?
Cause she a take me man.
But I never fear man, baby girl.
And mine.
They start telling us.
It's a magazine thing, yeah.
Oh. So they tell me about how she have a best friend, right? And the best friend man give her things. There's something wrong with that. So I tell her, say, it depends. I said to me, say, small up so I beat her car person and take her man.
Yes, it's me.
Me tell her-
Cause me I tell her say, stop take girlfriend man and me are the best friend. Stop take girlfriend man. So me tell her say when I top tell her man, me go tell her. So she go to her, go tell life and me say, me they take the man where the man don't know if me a woman or man and me don't know if the man a woman or man. But me cannot stop tell lie.
Girl!
Wait.
Tell lie.
Before the party thing, now drape her up so.
Don't jet.
No,
Don't
sit
jet me up. Wait. Alright.
I'm here so now. You say I give a man, right? And the man I give things. So let the other person prosper too. Cause I never hear a man at first.
I love you, man.
I don't fear man neither.
You live with him.
She asked me
You
to
cook for him. You wash for him.
So what, you want the man?
clean for him?
You want the man too?
Oh,
yes, she
Yeah, me
want the man.
but not me and you. And me have evidence with you and me now.
But
You
nothing
not know
wrong with that
evidence,
if
you
she
not
want the
know
man.
Me, I got sure.
Nothing wrong if...
You see the live when you up on the time when you go there. I still don't leave it up on TikTok, you know, because it's in the live, you know. And I'm gonna show it to her. TikTok saw everything.
You see your mouth.
You see your mouth.
You see your mouth.
Top
Just because.
Top take people, man.
Just because
Your
she
sister,
asked me.
man.
Me not take your
Wait.
sister, man, girl. Yeah, listen to she.
Okay.
Me that
You go call
never.
Kena?
Wait, question. What best friend you have?
Two.
One who?
Ken and she.
Me and her best friend, top 10.
So, I could feel man take cash now, no man.
Exactly.
So you tell me so really my sister money I take?
Okay.
Yes.
Stop pet people.
So really my sister. So can I know?
Wait, no. Wait.
She tell Kena say, and me, I take the man.
Me
I don't
never.
know how under me stay.
Me that never take Ken, man.
Yes,
Me that
I believe
never.
because my sister come to me do an argument one time. Tell me say, oh yeah, say she for watch her man.
Because me say moody down there. Watch me out, girl. Watch me out.
Moody, come here.
You know me not like the girl there. Me I go find the video show you with she and him. Come on, the girl can lie upon me now.
Me what tell Kenya this, cause no girl take my sister man and feel like say it's okay to take her man and have proof and they walk out about oh man, her man you give her things and this and that.
Yes. I got picture of this spear. She a look
What
like
Kenya there? You see her man in?
himself. No, I'm like she see her this morning because she tell me so she tell lie upon me to Kena say me I take man, take her man.
You come go for Kenya?
Yes, come.
Come if you tell her. Come on.
Yes.
Oh God have mercy. Watch this one. Eh? Look how long me woman gone.
Hi.
Look how long me woman gone. And you have me up there wait all long.
Look for how long. Me go down my bar. Go look. Me
Hello,
see you down
me tell
there.
you say, you can't look for me. Me tell you say my woman a go. So you must come up now. Because my woman a go, right?
I come up, but we did get caught up in a something down the road.
Caught up in our.
One of my friend.
Listen me, you they come check me and almost an hour now I think or more. It takes so long to come up. You think that me go turn back up on my yard now, right? After my woman might they come.
But me want the money. Me want do me hair. You do kinda hair. So my hair need to be done too. So, me don't know how you gonna do it or what, but me need the money. Because me need to wash me hair from man, need to dry and me want to do me hair.
Woman, you know. When you don't see a man and in our happy relationship, you try everything to push up on
Listen
yourself.
to me. Listen to
You
me.
wear tights, you pull up your tights in front of the man.
Yes, me pull up nothing.
You wear skirt, you open up your leg in front of the man, you come out in the yard. You stop there and something there,
Listen
man.
to me. When time me did the pan road and me I walk about my business, me never stop you. You stop me and I look me. So when you look me, you spend for me.
Oh,
because me not cheap. Alright.
You know what?
Me not cheap.
Say it again.
Me not cheap.
Spell it cheap.
Listen to me. Is it that
Spell
you
it
give
cheap.
me CHEAP cheap?
No, you don't spell it right.
Papa.
You don't spell it how you pronounce it a while ago.
Me need.
That are cheap.
Yes. Me. Come on. Can you confuse me?
Me I confuse you.
Yes.
And me at the money, how me feel confuse you?
Papa. You gonna make somebody come
What
see
you
like
have
come
when me I
girl
get?
come see
What
we
you
ready
have
here?
how me can get every day? So how me I confuse you now? You tell me now.
Me need the money to do me here. So I don't know how you gonna do it. We can't go in a bush. Look how much bush they bought the place. We not have to go up a yard. Because me want the money today. And they make me have to go in your pocket for it.
Yeah. Come on, we're going to the bush.
Come on.
Cut a one piece. You
Come
go
on.
on, man.
And make sure you have the money.
Go so.
Come on.
Go so in the bush. In so. Right on the corner, you better now. I'll look for 5 minutes. Oh, God.
Come on, man. Ciao.
Yes.
Come on, give me the money.
I tell you, listen to. That was good.
Yes.
Yeah, man. You can't go on. You can't work. You know how to work. I like how you go to work. This is what I said. I wouldn't trust none of my friends them run my woman, you know. Because I think they would have do the same thing like me. So, friends are not trusted with you. Like you. You shouldn't even take care of your friend, man. Because she feed you. She clothes you. Right? Where come so far?
The money.
Oh, the money.
Yes.
If I spell the money, if you spell the money,
Me no know who tell you say me graduate from school.
me
You know?
give the money.
Me no know who tell
Spell
you
the
say.
money.
Me no know if you spell it. Me never graduate. Come.
You know if you spell the money?
No, give me money.
If you can't spell the money, me give the money.
Papa, you make Kena come and catch 3 hours.
Hello, me I do nothing? Simple. You just say no, as easy as that. When he say me I do nothing, simple. Hello, I'm not talking about that. When me do something, it's not to be about money, right? It's love. You say you love I, you stay with the I. I'm an African man. I shall have more than one wife, right? So if you want to tag along with me, you must not ask me for money. When you ask man for money, you don't get money. When man say no ask, man you give, but you ask somebody dirty man, they don't give man money now. Whether ask or not ask. And you ask somebody and get them fool. They will lay down with man and not get nothing.
Papa, you can chat Jesus Christ and money me away pan. Me no want to hear just a place for lock up.
Okay. But how much is your head?
40 grand.
For what?
40 grand to do my hair.
This head there?
Yes. You know say it all, look.
40 grand?
Yes.
Mama, you better be going to your friend and come out of Yankee now, yeah?
40 grand, take out. Hey!
Me not too much.
You're trying to ramp with me now.
Oh, shut him up.
40 grand. Give me money.
Me not ask much for me. Me have about $2,000 change.
Which $2,000 for do what?
Hey, when you buy front of a bridge,
That a over bridge.
all 15
Yes,
engine
so,
and a-
yes, so. Bridge a bridge.
You go like the same thing, I
Come
same
on,
thing.
come on.
It's the same thing.
Papai,
The only difference in a load up like a you.
Papai.
Me not have it. A 2 grand never. Me can't pressure myself.
Give me.
Me can't give me dead 2 grand in a change. You hear that?
Come. You go up your yard for some money.
Me cannot go back up there. Link me later.
Papai, no.
Listen me. From morning me away pan you up there now. And you idiot. You should have reach up there. But no. You love mix up your love
So let
gas
me
it.
ask you something. You take my coachie and think say you now give me no money?
Turn out there.
Papa, let me tell you, me go in your pocket for the money.
Hello.
Give me the money.
You can't talk, you know.
Give me the
Father,
money.
you're a friend.
It's alright. Me go and tell Kena. No worry yourself. I go tell Kena.
Good.
Me I go tell Kena.
Tell her.
No worry yourself.
Tell her I'm in a business.
Watch out. Well, God, my friend.
What going?
There, man.
Same.
I'm sure I deal with it.
Not a thing. So just why it come like God ever send the right time, you know. But
No.
no couple minutes ago, man, couple moments ago, my friend I got tell me say one girl named Moody I take me, man, and I don't know this Moody. Anyhow I hold this Moody. God alone can conceive that the Moody there.
You know,
Because
say me have one daughter when named Moody.
I lie.
Tell me friend name.
Talia my bestie. And she tell me say Moody I take me, man.
And you know, say
I'm
me
not
that,
too trust her now, but at the same time I believe her because I been here say me I get one a road.
you know, say me have my daughter friend name, the same name, have the same friend name.
No, sir.
Them a bench and batty, them a bestie as well.
One thing. Where that a gone?
Maybe my daughter you talk about it, you know.
Maybe.
You tell her how she look.
But let me tell you this. You see, if I do your daughter, I can grab her. Let me tell you. Me say, is it that him a go get one angel sent from above or one night shining armor, go come and rescue her. Because there's
What
something
you have to do
alright.
with her, you know, no really matter to me, you know. Because you see the little girl, in case father come beat me up over money, you know. If father almost kill me other day, you know, over money, you know. So, anything you do to her, just not unalive her. Do anything else you want to do to her. Because you see the little girl there,
Wicked, man.
yo, be a tell you, man. Anything you want to do to her, do it. Just not unalive her.
So, which part she live now? Cause me can't go for her unless you know where. When would I there?
Just not kill her. Me go care
No,
about her.
me not do that. Tell me somewhere where would I there. Me no want no happen in your yard, man. I want it happen on the road where they can't pin nothing. So which part?
Alright, no worries.
Cause
Me go link up and we talk.
No man, me not too like a link up thing. Me want just grab him some and me tell me grab him and me go jerk out. Me jerk out every cheating bone all time so he can't tap the bone. All
You
that
know,
the man, we can tell all the whole that the man there.
You know, Lam
You might
want
not
somebody
want
beat her too. You know, Lam want somebody jerk her, whoop her jerk her food, but not alive her, you know.
Me might look about me talawa. Me I will jerk him. And so, and even that, you know, you see, anytime I see that man, me I go say, yo, this, that, HYZ, him better can spell, him better can tell me everything, no, cause this not right at all. Him better can tell me everything and I go ask him how it go. Right? No one there no. Far away there, I can't find him in the yard go to know my friend. I go tell me see her come from out of Million, right? Where my man live. And she go tell she don't have nobody up there. Not one soul she don't have up there. So what she do up there? She other one too, you know. Me say if me no poison him, me pepper and jars, me lick him on in front or something because this don't right. Me can't do it so I give me all and man I take me feed. That no right at all. And at the man, nowadays,
You love take- you love
you
take
couldn't be
people mind for you.
loyal to the man like more. You couldn't cook game, do everything for him or something. You could even wash your foot, them is still a go give you bun. No matter if it's somebody ugly or what, you still a go give you bun.
My daughter Moody love take people man, you know.
Yeah,
I
yes,
catch me catch him over my man yard, you know.
Hear them.
And he go tell his father, cause me say man
Hear
have to
them.
choose between me and she. And he go tell his father come beat me up, I almost broke my knee.
Oh God. If you put into you can't grab him. Yeah, you feel jerk him, you can't grab him too
If
much.
me think say if me grab her, me go hurt her if she
Just say you
alive.
feel, yeah, no, just one to
But just hold her and put out every pressure upon her
Yes.
for me and you.
Yes,
Yeah.
and then when me say me put out for me too, for me and you. Alright, me I'll go.
Alright, look at more.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Watch out. You know where I come from.
Run my man, yeah, they go look for him, but me not see him.
You know what I look for you?
So what? Me not last.
Because me want tell you say enough you just tell you cause she a take your man.
No, sir. I want girl when they are moody, me know I take my man.
Listen to me, girl. Me
What?
tell you this morning, me just stand up and me say Talia and she a run come down full speed and up on her face and so one girl a beat her for her man. And the question the girl want ask me say if she have a best friend, right? And her best friend wanna give her things.
Eh.
What you say again? If it's something bad that I'm say it depends. See them say moody I say Talia take your man.
No, sir. Me and Talia best friend for long got time. Me think Talia know better enough for one day
You
serious
know
throughout
they
the with
say
me.
best friend. Our hand
Yeah.
at the end part.
That
Friend don't always we see because she cannot take a man and pin it on somebody else. That mean best friend. The end of the part of it and that's something gonna last forever.
family no last forever neither.
Family, yeah.
Sometimes family
Listen,
more-
family end with I-L-Y. I love you. Friend end with E-N-D.
It could have end with forever and ever and ever. It still don't make a sense because you can still have a family and the family can do you what's that way for another year.
Yeah. That's something like talk to you. Come here,
What?
tell the girl I take your man, you tell me say no I'm moody, I take your man.
May I tell her what she tell me, so what you mean by?
That's what she tell you. When I tell you this man, she come to me and say she take her best friend man. I'm asking her who her best friend. She say you are moody. But the point is moody, you look like moody want the man too.
Oh, that a man too. That means somebody had two somebody for it.
About that, me tell you that about no.
Oh.
I can tell you not take your man this and that, this and
Ah,
that.
she know better. I think she know better. It's okay. Me stay.
Come on, talk to the pitney and it's not no sense. All our man too. Why? No kind of man that.
Boy.
Me. You know, see, I'm not ashamed. Me didn't know about Damien, you know. Me didn't know about Damien, you know. No, but right. And me, they take, no, sorry, not me and you, cause we don't know about Damien again. You take Roy, you take Damien. Who else you take? You there with Roy, you know. Me say, okay, I taking Roy too. We're banging him together. Bang, bang, bang. Bang down the
You
bed.
mean say I take right too.
Yeah. It's a gay problem.
Everywhere you go, you take people, man. See him like how you take your friend, man. Don't worry yourself.
Listen, the girl said me I take her friend man because she can't get him how she want him. And she me tell her I go tell Ken I say she take her man trick style. Tell her like, but I don't care about rumors, you know.
Don't worry yourself.
Alright, me I talk about.
Something is coming for you.
Yes.
But what you doing that so seriously? You right or something?
Me I go to Roy. Y'all come follow me?
You go to who?
Roy. R-O-Y Roy.
For
Can
what?
I hear? I mean for what? For the money. What do you think me I go to him for?
Let me show you something. Right, just give me this. So no money no around the fear. None no around the fear, baby. Done. You take everything. Everybody man you want. Everybody man you
Roy never
want.
shot of money yet.
How you know that?
Come and know that. Me can go up a Roy, you know, and rub down Roy head, you know, and get money, you know. You see that we have a chump change. When I fork out all them 60, 70,000 I give me just to rub him down. I have to sleep with Ryan now. That is no money, you know, mommy. Who you think I did with me? You go for a rap about 130, 140,000. Yeah, there is no money, you know. I don't even think you might get much money, you know. How much money at least where I get a good I get a good one 10 grand. Or the highest where I get a good one $30,000, one 40,000. I think you pass in average 50,000 out of 100. I feel like a bunty on my daddy. What my daddy? Me I get ignorant. Mommy.
Look here. Let me tell you this now. My mother and me can't take life out of you right now. Mind how you talk to me now. You hear me I want you? Mind how you talk to me.
I know you give me life.
I know me give you life. I God. Well, me can't steal it out of you. So mind how you talk to me, little girl.
Give me a joke, you know, yeah, for God, let me come on. You jet me too hard. No, you go
stop play with me. And stop taking man with me I take.
Me say a joke, you hang me.
You hear me I want you?
Yeah.
Alright, move on yourself. I go about your business.
I'm an iPhone 17 Pro Max she make drop. Roy is going to buy it. I'm going around there. It's so the right money for next time. Hello, good evening. Alright, money will come to know. Once more tell you I get. You my friend. Me say she get money cause she know she come check if you do hair and things and go with herself.
So hold on then, let me get it clear. So that you will wanna do. When you go around and take on a friend man or this and that. Well, alright.
Man.
She take for her friend,
okay.
Man. No, you want to tell your friend, right? And you take the man where you take.
You is not Talia, man. Talia washing for you?
No.
She cooking for you?
No.
She cleaning for you?
No.
Okay. She sleeping with you at night time?
She look like she not on her bed.
Okay, so she's not the woman.
So what the hell you can't tell me that when one thing later with a man is a woman?
No. Me need some of Talia get me the money.
No, hello, listen to me.
Anything Talia get me need it too.
Well,
listen, you know I'm my mouth, you know. You see if I want to keep my mouth locked, you just give me some more Talia get.
Why you think she get?
Money.
That's all she tell her?
Why don't she get?
Every time she get money, she have to give back. Because I am people property.
The papers, the lease, the land title.
What do you mean by that?
You say it's property?
I am a property of somebody own. A mad girl like that.
And you say, what the land title there, what the lease?
Well, you don't say I idiot.
What the documents?
You want to say, me not married? No, me and my woman not married.
You for the property?
Yes.
Listen to me, I just want to know what she get now.
Alright, yeah.
Talking again.
Yeah. Since I don't want to get some of what she get.
Yeah.
You want to get some of what she get up to today? You want to she link me and I'm not going to the bush enough for you. About the year business. So for that you want.
Not the bush.
Yeah.
No.
A Greenfield hotel that. Free of cost.
Me no want to go Greenfield hotel.
No, me can go over here so. Over the yard.
You know who live over there, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm ready. I know why somebody, man, in Gam on the road.
Oh.
I see him on the road today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, so you don't worry about that. A good somebody.
Okay.
Yeah, man, he not talk if he come there, he not talk, you see me? So, call go about a quickie.
Nah, yeah, man.
Yeah. And then, when they come back out, we start out the thing.
No, give me money first.
No, listen now.
Me say, give me the money first.
No, I don't say work, mama.
I say work for me.
When you go to supermarket, right? Now you anything them cash and then go in the bag, right? Boom, the money pay out. That's how you go.
No,
so come on.
Sure. Make sure for me I go get the groceries so give me the money first. Can I if you no monkey like I take
No, what I know? You go get it.
raccoon it like Talia. So me want the money first.
How money I deal with it now?
No, me want the money first. Show me money now.
Sita, what, oh, look.
Me want the money in my hand.
Kyle, come.
Show me Kyle.
You take too long and that with you.
That's why I tell you he's a big old jackass he that because she run go skin out give man and she like get the money. We want the money first.
No, listen man. You work with me and I work with me.
No, you not work with me, so me not work with you.
How much money you want?
How much do me ear? About 20,000 for my head.
Some change. Some change that.
Some change.
Yeah.
I go on to my fingernail on my neck.
How much you do your nails?
And that.
Acha!
More my new clothes I want 30,000 I look on the so you know how much that?
Snacks money that.
60,000.
Snacks money that. Snacks money that.
Me snacks money now.
Yeah, you have to go over there some mama. How you happy?
Me to go with man over people place and come back out. Long man like big old idiot I'm gonna get the money.
Assume it's when you call on the situation upon yourself and that's why it not happen. Why you doubt yourself? You know how good apple? That's why you doubt yourself. Because maybe not good apple.
Like goal. When man mean them mean.
So me I call me.
Just like how when girl good them good. So give me the money now.
Dirty girl, I mean you're really a style as mean.
Just go on.
And me as
Go!
Come on.
Lead the way.
Come. Yes. Come on. I'll go over there, you know, and work out a thing, you know. So make sure you have good wool, you know. Me not deal with bad wool. Yeah, some girl have odor in them wool. I tell you.
You see water from my forehead?
Huh?
You smell me?
Not yet. Come on, man. Come on. That take too long.
No, me so make you deal with Talia, so you know. I am not Talia, I know.
No, the girl now beard. Yes, she now beard.
So you know me a beard?
Me don't know. I know me I gonna know. Come on. Come on, man. What you do?
You see if you don't want me up my big mouth that God give me?
Come on,
make
man.
sure I get that 60,000.
Yeah, come on. Oh God. Whew. Hey, me not tell her no, mama. I have to give you a medal. You're the best. You is the best. You going to be my concubine number 88. Yes, man, you're the best. Oh, that's why every woman me lay down with them church hand? You can't just say thanks, love you.
Stop chatting, money.
Alright, the money around this world, and I put my device right there. So money around this world for you.
What Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Oh, wait, that?
Huh?
What is that?
What is what?
I don't even think that is $2,000.
Yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot. You know much people out there who don't mind they get on 500. I check it.
How about where you do that?
Huh?
What that for?
I check it for 16 notes.
No, all that. Yeah, none.
No, me not give you no money.
So you the money in your hand.
No, me just did the account out
I
it.
never see smoke without fire yet.
So which fire now smoke?
Yeah, this one come here the fire.
What do you do, so?
Me no there, so you know see.
When you tell me say I tell you I take the man, and make my sister have me up. I'm going to my sister, go tell my sister say you're not the car man.
Talia is taking the man. Talia take the man from somebody and I want the man, so I take the man too. She's not my friend, you know. She and Talia are bestie.
I have the accent for me attack.
So
I tell you best friend.
so
I have the accent for me attack.
You have a dripping problem.
Obviously.
Take it enough for me.
Come and Japan neatly. Where is my sister man?
Are you man?
My sister man.
Is it your
I'm a
man?
brother in law that.
You want mine you?
You know my sister.
Are you man sleep with?
That not nothing to do
Are
with
you a
blood.
cook?
That not nothing to
Are
do
you
with.
a cook game?
I'm taping here.
Are you a wash me?
Yeah, let me go. And your next one too. Where they so there? And you count up money here. Where they so there?
oh yes, I'm telling you.
Some year me come and here to say if you get me that, get me that alpha.
You hear that?
Me hear where you get me that alpha.
Oh, me dog because to me see how the dog have sex still. Huh?
Which dog? Which dog? You got the dog.
He's the dog.
You know this can be
What
said
you tell her
better.
to me have sex for? What you do
I
that?
am not Talia. Me and your man is not best of friends. Me not have a best friend, man.
Yeah, but tell you your best.
Tell you.
Talia wash cook and clean.
Tell the
Talia
wolf
your
dog.
man.
Tell the wolf dog to let me go. Tell the wolf dog to let me go.
Tell
You
him
want
to let
me not
go.
go between
If
woman
I
and
in-law,
fight. Me not go to,
You know how
it seems like it's your man.
I'm a brother-in-law and no girl will look like this. Now go this my sister. Come and say look 10 times better than you.
Me sister will come and say to me.
I don't know. I'm say look better than you.
Come let
By
me go.
far.
Let go.
No, I drape. It drape.
Let go me claw.
Yeah. No, this sister man.
No look ambition. Everybody man is man. Look at fear man. Everybody man is man. What am so? I'm going to also. Have respect. Have respect. Have respect.
Whatever, man.
No. I want to have you back. What time is back? What time is back? What time is back?
Stop it! Stop it now!
Let me go. Let me go.
Go, show!
We must go. You must go. Oh, yeah, show. Is it for you, sir? Oh, yeah, show.
Where come the story with the people, man?
Pay money for me to talk. Give money for me to talk.
Soon deal with them. No, listen.
Me say no.
Go up a yard, me soon deal with them, man. Just go up a yard, man.
Give me money. Go for which yard?
Just relax, man. Hey, me no. Alright, see a jagan. No beat a jagan. Eh?
The only time
Me dash you when I fight a while ago. Dash you when me no know me feeling. Me dash it. Me just a dash it. Me dash it for you.
Let me search you.
No, listen, you don't need to search me. Believe in
My
I.
sister, you know.
Mama, tell her.
Back out the money.
You ever tell her sister?
Yeah.
I'm going to give me jagan.
I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm out of breath.
Anyway, go on, mom. You. Me don't know you.
Money. Me money!
Me don't know money, no.
Let me go find Kena from your bread butter, you know.
Yeah, see, look. You watch. You have to look at concubine girl around. This is my sister.
Me and I don't have no sex.
Stop telling her.
She wants to seduce me, yes? But me not seduce her. Alright, so me tell up, you know. And the girl come up, you know.
I said, me can't put you out. So you couldn't want to do work.
Alright, I'll give you 20 grand tomorrow. 20 grand tomorrow.
No, today.
If you tell your sister, say, me and nobody there, but tell your sister, say, you try to seduce me. But tell your sister, say, me rug up myself. Me rug up myself, too.
I don't want you.
Me rug up myself. I'm going to watch, I know what to do. You hear? Watch. Just watch. What? I still wouldn't go believe. Me come out there.
Me go tell Kena.
Go on, me come out there. Me still wouldn't more believe. Please, God.
Well, like you want to come beat me. Leave then.
I want to you. You look so.
Not gonna do me.
No want to you. How you supposed to pop out?
Come here, smell the fight.
You supposed to fight?
Yes.
Whoa, you see me that tell us saying? So if you stop take people, man.
Nobody man who wanted to war me.
So then beat you.
Beat who?
You look like them beat you.
Me a back. This papa me a bleed.
You supposed to pop
Me
out.
pop kind of good for morning.
But they tell you, no? But they warn you. I say, low people, man, alone. I bet see a man them beat you over. Half the man them beat
She be
you
with your
over.
sister, not for no man.
And you take the sister, man. See your way so you go.
No, me no business.
But they do warn you. You're lucky say they no kill you. You're lucky say just that alone.
If they no kill her, they not kill me.
What do you mean by if they no kill me, they not kill you?
I am my mother.
Oh.
And you make an
You don't take my footstep though. Me you know the same thing.
Me
and you are
everybody
the
shall
same
see
thing.
one
You ever
day.
see nobody beat me a road for no man?
Man,
You ever
no
see
beat me
nobody
on a
come to me
road.
about no man?
Yeah. Yeah.
You are the only somebody come to me about man.
Somebody still
Can you
come to
take me two man them?
No, me I chat to him before you.
Sometimes I have to wonder if you take a step further too.
No, me no want that.
We tell you, cause you are take my two man them and me I take your man them. Them man that was mine before you.
I knew him before you. Me hot by one person.
Who?
I am my mother, you know.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
I will never buy you nothing in this
You
house.
want to pay foot then?
Nothing more. You go walk barefoot. Go and go take the people them man and buy slippers.
Come on, me soon get slippers. Give me buy me slippers and
No.
me pay her back.
No. No.
You know, say go on like I know you push me. I feel like them stop me after, you know.
You go on like you know my daughter.
Me feel like they swap me.
You didn't swap you.
Come now.
Me not buy a note. Me
Because
not
if a mother sing,
me
some
not
mother
take
would
the
have...
man money and buy
Some
no
mother would have said
slippers.
make they even buy
But
one
your
glove.
stepfather make he buy slippers give you.
You know
I
what
him
my
you
ma-
pick up for. The father will want to fear. As a jacket he get, I pick up for him. You say water thicker than blood, go to the water.
Me never tell
The
you
blood
so.
can't buy you nothing. Sorry.
Water can't buy me nothing either. Water clear.
I him you pick up for, go
Blood
and go
of
make him
colour.
buy you. Go and go make him get money if you buy one
Come
slippers.
on, man. Let me
You
get
have
the
no money.
slippers. Me say me go pay you back.
Brother Lynn, stranger out the road. First of all, brother give stranger out the road more and give you. You see you make your father do me? Beat me and you did your laugh off of me.
Oh, Jesus, me hungry, man.
Use the laugh and buy one slippers.
Come on, man, mommy. Let me go sell something for you now and buy.
Sell what? Sell something for who?
You.
Touch nothing in there for me. Come like a girl them no beat you good. Touch nothing in there for me, you see.
Who are them? Mommy, come and buy me
Should all three of them depart you. Hey, go in my pocket. You put money in my pocket.
Yeah.
You sure say me your mother?
Yeah.
Don't call me
And
mommy.
me come just like you.
You're not turn just
Alright
like
then,
me.
Tiana.
You're not turn just like me. Cause no girl never beat me. I would over man. I over sister, over whatever. they
Nobody
do.
don't beat me. Sponge ya. You
You know where you
bicycles.
do? Go on in. Alright.
Me a go in a back. Me not stingy with little money and send me your daughter.
If you stop take people, man, they will kill you. Jesus, son hot, man.
Yes, God. What because like that when you're older, man?
You didn't even catch 1 week yet and look like you're pregnant.
You breed me. Me have to breed? I'm gonna have a breeding problem.
But look on your belly.
Love me big gut.
Look at your gut.
Me come here with me gut big.
No, you're not coming out with your belly big. Me raise you for your lily. You never have big belly. Not even 1 week good. You're gone.
Can we?
You must know.
We are gonna see when me go push out the pitney.
You must know.
We are going to reach 9 months how you go. What you say 1 week? Or 1 week's pregnant. Cause you must see breed did skin out and breed me. Right.
Well, look on the belly. You better need to check it out.
Why you not go check out your your mother? You know what's ever disgraceful? If me had to check to what I see a man then. You don't look good, man.
Just know say me not left him. That the man there my hobby long time. I mean I left him for you. Me don't tell you already. If you like it or not, you go live with it, dead with it, anyone you want. But that man is my hobby long time, baby girl.
You who?
You deaf.
Me deaf.
You deaf?
Right. Me not hear right at all.
That man is my hobby long time. My man long time.
Where you call
And me and him not left. And me not left him.
What you call long time? No, what is your definition of long time?
Hello. You know the answer. I see me come to. Girl, more talk about something.
Excuse me?
About what?
What do you look at that? And my thing is
Yeah, you talk about that.
me say, what day, yeah, me got doctor and they say something wrong with me.
What?
Hey! Right! That's how I don't feel leave people man alone. You know, girl pick me. I don't feel leave people man alone.
I see you belong to sit down.
Can't tell you man, me are here.
Come.
No feel love people man alone. You know, young girl pick me. You know.
Look here, man.
As me I say, me got doctor what you a girl and like every time I bathe, me still a smell.
You what?
You know, hear me I say. Like me no know
how
what
it
me
is?
do, me no know what happened.
Young girl like you a smell.
How would they? How would they say to you?
No, the doctor not tell me.
They not tell it or they not know.
Man shot you.
Then put me for antibiotic.
They shot your baby, they shot
You
you.
get it, man. You get it.
They shot you.
Why not evidence, lady?
Me talk to myself. Me never talk
What you
to
read over yourself? Are you shut up? How much bullet you get?
I'm sorry.
What I say now?
Girl, sometimes I can't bother to come over here and come. I can't take your mother.
Me your size. You know what? Take your jing bag and go on the road. Go on. Come in off a kill up. Go look boat. Under there so we see me like a saltfish. Go and look about it. Go on the road with your jing bag. Look what girl. Little girl. Go on the road with a big bag. Go on the road. Go on. Look what girl like you under your foot and see me like a saltfish.
But sis, I not say fear, man. Like you have him under control, you lock him down.
You know, say me don't really have him under control though, but me just have to buckle him down for a while because he better not ramp with me, you know. I war. Cause tell your man say me mad, you know, I'm crazy. And I don't want to hurt him. You understand? Cause I don't want to go find a mill or more, you know, to go bury nobody. Cause funeral expense them, oh God.
You know, bury
a hefty price.
Pick up gong or going there.
That still cause me a shock. That wow, God.
Hey, y'all, how
Eh?
is?
Oh, my sister, anything posting on my status.
I got mixed up to tell you.
A lie.
The daughter friend just come over there and I tell me that about how she got a doctor and doctor can't find no company what wrong with her son. Stay, come. Yes, girl. Raw like a sardine.
Oh, you're confused, not true? Right, but I'm gonna tell you something, you know. Alright, you see. You remember the big bingo jars what we did find up at the yard? The big jars we could waste, you know. Yes, probably like a church out, wash out jars.
Cause you want to big smart so.
And guess what? Remember me ask you a billion times if I feel your panty, right?
I never mind.
Me know. You see so you better make sure. So you know what I did? I take that jars to a obia lady. And I make that lady voodoo the crutches. Right now, that girl, she not stop stink till she dead.
But wait.
Let me see him take me, man. Bomba. Thank you.
Then they could have work.
Yeah. You know what me a who? You know me a who?
I'm only a
banana trash me used to grow
Stop take man no, me stop take people man.
If I daughter friend that means say I
don't
tell you or
people,
something.
Man.
You better done.
Me no
Let me tell her, me hobby her crutches. Right now, she not stop stinker. She not stop suck. You say, Marga, wait until they suck. You say, then titty. Wait until they suck up, man. Wait until the whole and jars them start sucking out. So wait until me put this on which doctor anything when you go. Can't find no cure for that. You couldn't take 50 billion medication. You couldn't take every bush, herb, pill, antibiotic, anything on the planet that can help you.
You never know say them next could have work.
Yes, you know me who? That's why I never tell people don't ramp with me now because I'm more than crazy and ram too much
man, but no. If you jump on my choke, but I'm a best friend, she not do that, But they tell you.
I like me, say me big, but don't nobody tell.
You said if me do it for you. You're so cold.
Baby, me not take your man.
No, you not take me, man. Me just tell you, if me do it with you, you're so cold. Bitch.
Not take nobody man. Me don't take people man. No, me don't. Me I go pre-reward.
Go.
Me?
Find one for yourself and keep him.
Yeah, me I'm one already. Me married.
He's a
lovely
wicked piece of girl.
Wicked she never knows she wicked when she take my man. Eh?
Jesus.
Walk up and come on to.
Wait there. Girl.
Bumbo girl, somebody tie you up over there, so. Yeah, miss.
You know no manners?
Behave, you know. Don't get too cocky. That not work.
Me tired.
Why you tired?
Walk.
Hi. Hello,
Hi, miss.
yes, something to confess, you know.
Speak your mind, they say.
I'm sorry, so me take your man, though. Sorry, so me take your man, girl.
So, girl, after all this time, you take my sister, man. I know you can tell her sorry.
Thank you. You never know, say you're sorry when you take him.
Me never mean it. And true, me got
A
one
lie.
pastor man, and they say somebody up there me car. Me I take somebody man. Not for your man alone, me I take.
See, man, leave it alone.
Girl, high five, don't leave me hanging. Tell us somebody do it with you. You must learn.
Let's see, so
Not
wicked.
in, I know wicked. I feel love, not in this
told you to try that?
lifetime. Not in this lifetime. She I go ever chose to take somebody man. Yeah, no worry, you're so rebound, man.
Me got doctor, and me doctor did not even know what happened to me. Just because you over me make them know me.
You can't say thank you, you know.
You never have to do me that, you know, me.
Why?
Friend, how you come from?
What?
Far.
What you do? You betray me. What that mean, eh? What that be? So anyhow, me never do, you know, you don't continue to take him and you would sorry.
Sorry, me take
You
it.
go to that boy
Oh,
mood,
you
take your
go
man.
sorry. You go sorry. Yet you chat about moody did that take man and such and such.
You forgive me or you don't forgive me?
No worry, yeah, me forgive you. Can't make you good on some. Me forgive you, don't worry.
Straight in belly and hot me, man.
Where look at me for? No worry, gotta call our home.
You sure it's good?
And then no one another one.
Jesus Christ, Kena.
And then no one another one.
Kena. Girl, if that's your best friend,
How she fi do that to me, eh?
you feel our pulse.
Me did tell you some me mad in about. That's how you go. No worry, I hit me tell you we reborn and get a chance in another life.
Oh, yeah.
You did think a joke?
Jesus.
You can't go and go get help though.
Well, see these
Meet me up a yard if you want.
Fix her and then Jesus Christ, I go get help. Help! Help!
Yes, Father. We have to go stop this, you know. Trust me. Cheating no good. My body are run down and I can't manage it no more. You see me? You, and you stop check me up on my yard. I'm tired to tell you that. Huh? Yeah. Look how much green field. Come over and see me talk to you. Can you come like you know no sense? You see when you take people, man, it come with a cost. It come with a price. It come with tax. It come with all them things there. I mean, listen, we don't want to stand far and talk to you. You come here, son, man. Come right here, son. Ah, when we give you money, I say, what you do with it? What you do with it?
Should I do with the money?
Yeah.
If they give me money now, I take the money and use it on the sense of the thing. I invest.
You invest what?
I mean invest what? In a me. Invest in myself.
I mean, I say I put on no weight.
Me never invest if me
Eh?
invest if you look on things. Say yes.
Me
Buy
nah see ya put on no weight.
Who about my weight?
You
Me
need
never
to,
born for fat, me not go fat.
you need to put on weight.
Me born for mag, me go.
Oh,
You know, stop take people, man. You know, see what happened to your friend? Hmm? She come over here and her front a think. You know, stop take people, man.
Me or she, which one?
oh, I'm here fret, you know. Yeah.
Don't worry yourself. Just stop take people, man.
She was sent to two.
You hear?
God no, she was sent.
Don't stop
So
take
what do
people,
I?
man.
What do I?
She take my friend, man. And my friend do it too. Walk through the panic.
What your friend?
Don't worry about that. Me not have to call no name who are my friend. Just hey, I'll see your body. Hey.
And Ken. Listen to me! And listen to me
You see,
good.
my friend Kena, he rat naughty girl belly, whole like girl front I think.
For me.
Huh?
For me, woman.
Are you woman?
Right now, I will.
You would have go rat now after. After your belly bottom a come out.
But you come here to me slap off your belly off your body. Because you talk to me with too much man. I mean, we can't take it talking.
Slap off it. At least I know who will rat now. Slap it off, I don't have a problem.
Oi. This a problem.
Why next one know your woman? I hear they still there with people.
Me never don't say that go so extra.
You can't understand what.
Tell me don't feel like you go.
Yes, tell us spirit.
Miss Spirit, grab him harder, Miss Spirit. Grab her harder. Choke him, Miss Spirit.
No, no, grab me hard.
Yes, broke
On the
off
neck.
it. Yeah. I
Hello.
love take people, man.
Hi.
I'm gonna say go, baby.
Hold me front of me.
I'm gonna say go. I'm gonna say go.
Grab her.
No, me can't grab
Yes,
him,
grab
man.
her.
No. Stay
Me
where
can't
you
grab you. And you have me, man.
No, I mean, me.
that one, yo.
Tell him about Tanya.
What that one your name?
You know, babe.
Ask your dad.
Never tell me that.
Where?
Be with her.
Oh,
You don't tell me to be with her, man.
You must say so now. Wait there.
Pepper.
No, wait there. Me not pepper him. Not pepper. Put on me things them. Cause this not play. This not work. Turn up right here, so tell me done. Here, turn up right here, so.
But you didn't tell of him.
Yeah.
Be me, you know.
Come here. Where you wanna go?
Walling.
Yeah,
Yes.
come here. Me no be tired. Tell you say. Top take man. You never.
Take for me, man. Take for me, man, too.
Hey, girl.
Take people, man. Me still want you.
Yeah.
Me want
Same
you.
for me and you. Yes. Turn up. We are turn up. Turn up.
Yes. Go on the
Let
landlord
me
right
go
now.
fling him over, bitch.
Yeah.
Hold him.
Put him down. Put him down.
Hold him foot. Take fling away.
Grab him too.
A betrayal. These friends only come around you because they want your